Hello, all, and welcome to the stream. We are back, and we will be continuing our application जहाँ पे हमने उसको कल छोड़ा था. So I have updated the goal. Today's goal is to connect the Gmail account and identify at least one order because that is the core gist of our project. And if that doesn't work out, our whole project would not work out. So for that, we actually need to have this tested first. You know so maybe we can wipe code it because it's prototype testing and we have to do this ASAP. So I'll figure it out how to do it very quickly. So without wasting much time now, we'll start. Okay. So Lavadina Rajam. We have our IntelliJ open, and let me open the AI chat host. Daily, I'm thinking I should start the stream early, but somehow my work lasts long, uh, and it never ends. यार कहाँ गया प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्डर सब न्यू विंडो या आईडी एरर occurred. Fuck it. Let me start this. Okay, you go here. मास्टर आर मास्टर मास्टर हेलो क्या क्या जल्दी में टाइप कर रहे हो भाई. व्हाट्सअप ब्रो, हाउ आर यू मैन. एंड वन थिंग जो मैं डेली भूल जाता हूँ कि डिस्कॉर्ड पे जाके मैं अपडेट कर दूँ. डिस्कॉर्ड कहाँ है अपना. व्हाट्सअप ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू मैन. क्या चल रहा है. सो मैंने कल वेलकम एंड रूल्स में डाला था क्या. या एंड लेट मी ऐड द डिस्कॉर्ड यूआरएल because why not. This is like daily rituals. Add a text on screen like target 100 या कुछ. ओ थैंक्स मैन. और बहनचो मैं इसको बंद कर देता हूँ, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ये कर रहा है. मैं एक बार इसको वीकेंड में बैठ के ना फिक्स करूँगा इस चार्ट ब्रेन को, कि चार्ट ब्रेन में थोड़ा दिमाग ऐड कर दूंगा मैं. ओके. Order sub, this was the application. Let's see if it's working. Meanwhile, let me add this, start a poll. चार्ट ब्रेन, इट्स ब्रेन गायब हो जाता है. मेरे को कुछ पोल में चाहिए अच्छा सा. आज इतने खुश हो. क्रश ने बोला है. क्रश ने हाँ बोल दिया क्या. खुश तो मैं डेली होता हूँ भाई. ओके चलो, खुश होना पड़ता है भाई. जिंदगी कैसे चलेगी अगर खुश नहीं रहेगा इंसान तो. बड़ा सा लोड़ा लग चुका है आज मेरा काम में, लेकिन कोई नहीं, सॉल्व कर लेंगे कल जाके. सो टुडे yesterday that if you guys have joined yesterday stream, you guys should have known कि हमने कल क्या क्या किया. So yesterday we have like made our basic core design of the database, and that is what the most important part was. Uh, and there is one core thing that needs to be fixed or checked right now, which is like prototype testing, which is the core idea. These items are coming from the email right now. Well, right now it's Gmail, so it's going to come from the Gmail account, Gmails. So I have to first connect it, connect the Gmail account, one Gmail account, and check the emails and get some data in maybe on the console or somewhere, so that we will be sure that this idea is really worthwhile pursuing. Like हम पूरा सब कुछ बना लेंगे लेकिन एक core idea नहीं चल पाया या हम figure out नहीं कर पाया तो क्या ही बनाया, waste हो जाएगा. So the core idea is to like connect the Gmail account, get the one order ka email, read that email and store that data. So that is what the goal is for today's stream. So without a further ado, let's start that. And I'm thinking about like at least this part I should take a lot of AI help, because it's a testing, prototype testing, and prototype testing is very well you can be done using AI very quickly. So let me ask, how should I do it? And meanwhile, let me fix the problems inside this Hibernate and all. Yeah, because Docker is not working. Docker is not started. So let me start the Docker. Docker container takes time to start. Okay. So add to a new desktop. And then let me go to the terminal. Let me see Docker PS. It should not be running. Yeah, it is running 22 hours ago. So it's working. Orders hub, and this is MySQL. Yeah, it started now. Sorry, status up 9 seconds. So let me run this application again. I'm sorry. ये कॉलम वगैरह ना ये हटा देते हैं फिलहाल के लिए, क्योंकि इसमें हम बाद में आते हैं. ये टुडेज गोल नहीं है अपना. आज का गोल इज वेरी क्लियर, सिंपल, लाइट वेट. या इट डिड नॉट स्टार्ट वेरी वेल, थैंक यू. Creating base entity manager factory resource, because I didn't give it as a base entity. uh, क्या हुआ भाई, नाक का बंद बजा बैंड बजा हुआ. हाँ यार, पुणे का वेदर है यार, बहुत ज्यादा ही बारिश है. ऑफिस से आते हुए भीग गया मैं, सोचा कि आके सो जाऊं. फिर मैंने देखा कि मेरे पीआर पे 4-5 कमेंट्स आ गई है, तो मैं सॉल्व करते बैठा. फिर पता चला कि ये डिसाइडेड ही नहीं है, ये क्या करना है इस पे. तो मैंने अपने टिकट पे मैसेज डाला कि बेंचो इसमें क्या करना है बताओ कंफर्म करके. तो एक बंदे ने बताया कि ये करते हैं. दूसरा बंदा आया कि बोला नहीं नहीं, ये नहीं, ये करते हैं. मैंने दूसरा चीज बनाया. फिर वो पहला बंदा फिर से बोला नहीं, इसमें ये है, तुम ये बनाओ. तो मैं बना क्या रहा हूँ, क्लॉड से ही बना रहा था, तो मैंने क्लॉड को दिया कि भाई ये बना भैंचोद. फिर उसने बना दिया. फिर एक कोई महारानी आई, तीसरी. आई होप माई ऑफिस पीपल आर नॉट लिसनिंग टू दिस. एक महारानी आई फिर से, वो बोली नहीं यार, ये ऐसा करना ही गलत है. मैं बोला बहन जो मैं पूरा बना चुका हूँ, 1000 लाइन का कोड हो चुका है, और तुम बोल रहे हो ऐसा बनाना ही नहीं है. तो तुम पहले क्या गांड मरवा रहे थे तुम लोग. तो फिर जाके उनका डिस्कशन खत्म ही नहीं हुआ. मैंने पीआर पे कमेंट दे दिया भाई, जो अभी लेटेस्ट डिस्कशन है वो मैंने अपडेट करके डाला है. ये जब अपनी माँ चुदा के खत्म हो जाएगा, मैं आके फिर से सॉल्व करूंगा. भाई इधर इतनी गर्मी है कि बाहर मैं जाता ही नहीं, हाइबरनेशन मोड में हूँ कुछ मन से. मोहित, you are back. Bitching me, I'll complain to manager. Yeah, cool. Sorry about my language, but this is how I am, bro. बीन क्रिएशन इज नॉट अलाउइंग, बिकॉज मैंने इसका बीन दिया ही नहीं है और मेरे को देना ही नहीं है. इसमें मैंने कॉलम ये दिया है, तो इसको हम करते ऑफ. ठीक है, बिकॉज अभी मेरे को डेटाबेस नहीं क्रिएट करना, टेबल्स नहीं बनाने. आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिएट टेबल्स राइट अवे, बिकॉज माय करंट गोल इज टू फेच द जीमेल. एंड स्टिल it's sad. Bin creation exception, error catching with name entity manager factory defined path. Hub user which error है. Okay, And then yeah, yeah, it started because it was trying to create the bean of that particular entity which I created, but partial code था. That was मोहित. मोहित किसको बोल रहे हो भाई? ओके ठीक है. अब देखते चैट जीपीटी ने क्या दिया अपने को. फॉर टुडे क्रिएट टेम्पररी जावा प्रूफ ऑफ कंसेप्ट, या प्रूफ ऑफ कंसेप्ट पीओसी, ये वर्ड मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा था. पीओसी इज व्हाट वी नीड टू हैव टुडे. ठीक है. Create a project in Google Cloud Console. We have our project created in Google Cloud Console. So let me go to Google Cloud Console. कोई तो चीज़ के लिए हमने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था अभी रिसेंटली, इसमें मेरे को याद है. एज फार एज आई रिमेम्बर, हमने कहीं पे ईमेल सर्विस बनाई थी वन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो वी वरंट यूजिंग दिस वन because why it had some issues. Get started for free. We want everything free. ई ई ई ई ई ई मेरा इंफॉर्मेशन दिख रहा है भाई. पेमेंट इन्फो, पेमेंट क्यों चाहिए भाई इसको इमीडिएटली? स्टार्ट फ्री ब्रो. आई डोंट हैव मनी. बहन का भाई हट, मैं नहीं कर रहा ये यूज़. Enable Gmail API. We have Gmail API enabled. Configure the OAuth consent screen and add yourself as a test user. Create OAuth desktop app, add in credential. Download credentials and replace this in the src main credentials. Do we have credentials file here? If you guys are wondering what this is, it is the same Google login ka window you guys see when you try to log into some new application. If that application has integrated the OAuth 2.0 from the Google, that is how that is what it is, you know. So am I audible and all? Everything is fine. मैंने आज स्ट्रीम चेक नहीं किया, अभी भी फिर से कमेंट आ गया कि इसमें ये करो साला. Let me just check if everything is correct. Okay. Am I audible? Let me change one thing. One thing here. Let's change this. There is no option to edit a poll. You know, this is wrong. So let me add a poll, another poll. ओके. भाई कुछ चार्ट ही नहीं कर रहे. अरे करेंगे, आज लेट हो गया ना मेरे को. आज का दिन ड्राई होता है, नो. ट्यूसडेज आर द बेस्ट. थर्सडेज आर द वर्स्ट. Saturdays are the again best. So don't worry about that. Focus on the work. Okay, so create Google project. गूगल क्लाउड कंसोल अपने को लेना ही पड़ेगा क्या? वो नहीं अपने को जाने देंगे अंदर. एक मिनट में ऑफ स्क्रीन करता हूँ. ऑफ स्क्रीन करने का मेरे पास एक और तरीका है. तरीका. I have a Punjabi friend and my slang is slightly becoming like him. Tariqa. Okay, let me create this account first on Google. This they are giving 300 free credits. So add a pay by UPI QR code. Yeah, that is what we want. यूपीआई दे दे भाई, क्योंकि मेरे यूपीआई में पैसे नहीं है, कैसे पैसे काटेगा। ओके, लेट मी कंप्लीट दिस पेमेंट। आंखों में बन जाने को हम बेकरार बैठे हैं। Just a second, guys. Kindly hold your attention. Don't scroll the reels. I'm just doing a payment, and once that is done, the transaction wasn't completed. Why? Why, bro? Try again, man. बरसों से एक सपना दिल में रहता है जान, शायद यही हाय रे हाय। Oh shit, shit, shit. Let me start again. And because Google is smart, AWS was stupid. It accepted my that account which was like closed few years ago. So let me do this now with the real account. Support can create a new workspace from okay. So it's asking me for the verification. I hope there is no personal information is been shown, even though I don't have anything personal. Okay, so let me reshare my screen. Yes. So this is the Google Cloud Console application that we wanted to have. Uh, so let me ask here where I was proud of my work till now, what I have put in. So these four tables is really nice. Click view all API, search Gmail API. View all APIs कहाँ दिख रहा है? The best way to find what our eyes can't see is view all APIs like this, and then view all API, Gmail API. Gmail API, this one. Okay, and then click enable. Enable. हमने YouTube API use किया था. We have used YouTube API v3 few days ago just for this chat brain, and now about this. So let me start this. The API has been enabled. How many? Let me see the rate limiting on this so that we'll know how to use this. 1,20,000. That's too much, bro. YouTube API has the lower rate limit than this one. Okay, maybe it assuming that there will be millions of user for each application. Can be. Okay. So back to this. Go to Auth platform branding. Google Auth platform. Where is Google Auth platform? Google Auth platform कहाँ है? Open the top left menu. Go to Google Auth platform branding. Can you see Google Auth platform? There is a Kubernetes engine that we were trying locally. Here it is. Billing. I am admin. Cloud overview solutions. There should be branding somewhere. view all products, and inside this Google, yeah, auth platform, and then configure the app and your Gmail as a test user. App name is like Orders Hub. Okay, everything will be small over here. We don't want confusion. And supported email ID is this. Next, internal or external? It is external. It is external maybe, because internal is for those audience only available to users within your organization. So no, we don't have an organization. Contact email address is this. Then next, I agree to everything that Google says and create. Okay, so let me log into Codex today. I don't have Codex. Update. You haven't configured any OAuth clients for this project. Create OAuth client. This is what we want. And application type is hey, application type is like a phone, but we have two application. One is like a front-end mobile application, and another one is like backend application. But for the backend, how it would authenticate? I don't think we need to authenticate for the backend. Uh, Desktop app, name it something like this. Then create. Okay, just for today. So it's saying desktop app. Uh, but our backend is Spring Boot. So why desktop app? Web application, not desktop app, but the web application. Web client one, it's fine. Uh, Let me name this. Authorized JavaScript origins. Do I need, what do I need here? Okay. Why today you guys are so silent? By now you guys start to shout out at me. Mm, what all things we need here? Thighs नहीं भाई, जो मन में वो बाहर आ रहा है. Things. Okay. Codex is here, so let me clear this and log into Codex. Orders a backend and बदल नाम तो साला. Then authorized URI would be a localhost. So यहाँ पे authorized redirect URI, authorized redirect URI. So there is this URL. ठीक है. We can give star star if we want to access each and every URL later deploying to चल चल. Let's create. Let me hide any specific information if it shows. Yeah, it showed something. Thank God. Let me download the JSON. I don't have to remember this. Google should give a warning that I'm gonna show this specific thing. So let me keep it hidden for now. Let me keep it off the screen. Okay, and now let me, so I got the JSON. Where do I have to put in? So there is credentials folder that we need to create here. For OAuth 2.0, do not commit that JSON to Git. Copy client ID, client secret from it into environment variables. Add this to application properties. Okay, so application properties, and let me add uh, Google OAuth 2.0 credentials. Okay, this thing, and now let me change my environment file, so you guys have to go again for a minute. So dot env, and then in this one let me add the Google client ID and client secret. So now I have to go and see that file. Oh, itna chota, itna chota bhai. Yeah, that's what she said. Okay, client ID I got. Client ID is 1234, and client secret, project ID, project auth URI, token URI, auth provider, redirect. Hey, client secret, macha. Yeah, I got it. Sorry, hyphen क्यों आ रहा है इसमें? ABCD hyphen 123 Ragnarok. Okay, I updated this and this. Now it's updated. Now back to you guys. Eesh. बहन. Now what? Run the Spring Boot and open this. Okay, it's okay. We will run this again. Yeah, run this again. Hopefully it should start. Yeah, it started. And now let's do this, but it's 8081. So will it authenticate us? Let's see. Yeah, access blocked. This app's request is invalid. You can't sign in because this app sent an invalid request. You can try. I understood the problem. You guys are dumb. When I was adding the URI, and I created this application, so this URI should be, I can show you guys this, client ID, you can see. mm, yeah, I can show you only this part. This one is 8080, and hence we were like blocked. It should be 8081. How stupid of you guys. ठीक है, अब मैं सेव करता हूँ इसको, बाकी सब credentials इसलिए I zoomed it. Save, restart, re-enable, and yeah, okay. Now let me restart this application, rerun, and let's see if we get authenticated using Google. 8081. Hey, invalid credentials. What? Let's do it in incognito. We use it very often. Invalid, what? Why? But my app is running on 8081. Then update the Google Cloud. Yeah, I have updated this and open the URL this. So when I'm trying to open this, it's saying, oh, now we got it. Why? So if I log in with this, what will I get? Oh yeah. Hey, is it that simple over 2.0? हमने JWT में इतना क्यों गांड मरवाया फिर भाई? Is it this simple? Okay, white label error because yeah, there is nothing. So this is correct. We haven't configured the next part. So yeah, so we configured this. Now we got the access to the email. Uh, let me tell you what I'm trying to do here. Uh, hey bro, which is the best language for backend Java or Python or TypeScript? कोई भी भाई, कोई भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Python is currently well in trend now. If you learn Python, then you get so many advantages. You can't just limit to yourself to backend development. You can also have the privilege to work on the AI and agents. So your learning curve will not be that. Your learning curve will be steep if you choose Python for other things. Java is like really popular. You can choose Python because Python is the language of future, as I can say. Okay, now we got this. Login तो हो गया अपना. Yeah, logged in successfully and seeing white label page. I have to keep this chart in sync with me. Meanwhile, I'll tell you guys what I'm trying to do today. So today's goal is to like connect the email account, right? So we have to like connect Gmail account to our Spring Boot backend. To our Spring Boot backend. ठीक है? How? By यार my screen is not shared. तुम लोग भी ना भाई. Skip this. Yeah, you guys can see my screen. Yeah, I'll be back to you just a second. So यहाँ पे हमने OAuth 2.0 से हमने authenticate करके we got connection to Gmail. Now from the Gmail we have to like use the scopes. The scopes will be uh, read read.all. I hope Google allows us to use this scope. So read all is what the scope we need, and from that we have to like search emails which contains order or something. Okay, these all emails that I have to grab first. So this part I need to do. So this part is done. This part is pending. This part is yesterday done. We have Spring Boot application setup. So now to this part. So let's see what ChatGPT is saying कि क्या कैसे proceed करना है. uh, like I have learned Python and I was learning ML, but I am not able to do so. In which should I get? I'm studying in Austria and I'll work here itself. Harshu explains. I didn't understand your question. Like I have learned Python, okay, that part is clear, and I was learning machine learning, but I am not able to do so. In which should I get? I'm studying. मैं नहीं समझा तुमने क्या लिखा है. तुम्हारी इंग्लिश थोड़ा गलत हो गई. Your English is little bit off. Can you correct the statement so that I can understand what you are trying to say, or else let my assistant help this AI chat brain, so it will let me know what this particular message is. So is it starting? Yeah, it started. uh @chat brain, what is this message? Let me copy this. Like, I am not able to do so machine learning, so I am switching to backend development. Ah, yeah, okay, okay, okay. Then if you have learned Python, then why to come to Java, and for that matter JavaScript or TypeScript? You can continue in Django framework or any other thing. Okay, so this is wrong message. It doesn't know the context. डोंट स्विच टू जावा और एनीथिंग ब्रो. एक टेक्नोलॉजी पकड़ो, उसमें एक्सेल करो. 1760 टेक्नोलॉजी मत सीखो. ठीक है. So focus on Python and grow in Python. Don't switch to any other languages for now. In future you can, but right now you can focus on Python because you started with Python. You tried machine learning, but somehow it didn't work out. So you can just uh, go ahead in Python backend framework only. So check out the backend frameworks in Python. So that is the best and easy way for you to move ahead. नहीं तो तुम दो दो चीज़ों में अटक जाओगे. जावा भी सीखो, बैकएंड भी सीखो. सो टेक वन थिंग एट अ टाइम. एंड गाइस, जिसने लाइक नहीं किया, काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम. I'm not gonna say this again and again. Oh, I'm gonna say this again and again, like the stream. So today's goal is this. If anybody is wondering what we are trying to do, we have connected the Google OAuth. White label is because there is like nothing in front of that. Uh, Perfect Google Auth works. The white label page means has no control. Yeah, we don't have controller yet. Now add Gmail scopes. Yeah, this is what I guessed it right. So scope is open ID, profile, email. So yeah, read only. This is what read only scope that I was talking about. So I know many things now. I ऐसे ही मैं खुद पे डाउट करता हूँ. The scopes part and all part I knew, just that I didn't use it in the Google. I used MSL authentication and all. Mm, okay, so let's add one controller now. Let me add a package is like, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, controller controller. ठीक है. And then new Java class is Gmail test controller. So this is gonna be our text. अरे ये मैसेज का क्या पॉइंट है क्या भाई? ये इंटेलिजेंट में, इंटेलिजेंट इज नॉट सो इंटेलिजेंट ब्रो. Do you want to add this file to Git? Yes, of course, bro. Of course I want to. If I want to ignore something, I'll add it to Git ignore. It should be a controller only, I don't know. Acha, REST controller. I thought it should not be a REST controller, but yeah. uh, I'll use ChatGPT for now because I want to quickly test this idea. Because if the Gmail, if this email connection and extracting the orders from that doesn't work out, the application wouldn't work out. For that, our complete application is resting on this core logic. So that is the core logic POC that we are trying to do. Okay. So this is the function that it has given to us. It redirects us to the home page. I import and then import. Yeah. Okay, so this is a very simple function. Home page, authentication token, and then get principal and get attribute. So in this one we have to just check restart and login again and verify this JSON. So we have to like restart the application. Let's restart uh, and log in. एक सेकंड मचा. Spring localhost, yeah, this URL. It's asking me for this. Let's log in with this. Okay, and let's see the JSON we want to have. Yeah, this is the JSON. uh, okay, we got the JSON. यहाँ पे ज़रूरत नहीं, यहाँ पे दिख गया JSON. So at this, okay, now what it said, what to check. Just a second, I'll back to the chat. Mm, Restart and log in again. After that, create test and use the authorized client access token to call the Gmail API. Fetch message IDs. Bring security OAuth. So we got this. I'm not sure exactly what it's trying to do. So let me give this. I got this object when log in. Okay. So how it worked? Authentication dot get principles. Authentication. We didn't add this dependency though. Okay. Back to chat, bro. What you were saying, Harshu. Uh, Thanks, bro. I'm in the first year and I'm so confused what to do and what not to do. But thanks for the clarification. Yeah. If you have any doubts, you can always text me on the LinkedIn. I can give clear answers based on your exact situation. Do you know any resources for learning Spring Security and JWT? So you start with official Spring Security docs. Yeah, documentation is the best, bro. And प्लस जो भी ये मैसेज में लिखा हुआ है यू कैन रेफर टू दैट बट ऑलवेज documentation is what I prefer, as you guys know. And right now, previously just learning through the documentation was too difficult. Now that we have Google Notebook LLM, we have tried that on the stream. You can use Google Notebook LLM along with the documentation of whatever the tech stack that you want to learn, and combine those, and you can learn on the steroids. So guys, this is like the best. So instead of any other resources, because I have seen many lectures, tutorials also making a lot of mistakes while explaining, or maybe explaining one part of that, and misses on the most useful or required part for you. So sometimes following a tutorial is not that good. So follow the documentation and do the hands-on. That's the best way. Do you have any resources for learning Spring Security? I answered this. Okay. Back to this. Now verify Gmail access by creating this. Yeah. अपने को अभी मैसेजेस रीड करने हैं, तो अपने को ये फंक्शन भाई ने दिया है. सो लेट्स डू. इफ दिस वर्क्स ना ब्रो, वी आर लाइक विल बिकम रॉकेट. मोर एक्शंस, import class. Is there any way to import everything? Yeah. Messages registered this. uh, Import this, it imported, and then open this. Okay, let me restart the application, and it will have so much of data, maybe personal data or anything, so don't read my personal data, please. Request. Let me do this. Oh, nice. White label. White label sounds like a alcohol brand, but isn't. Why white label? String access token. Okay, let me do this again. 404 not found. It's not Gmail, bro. It's not Gmail, macha. It's wrong. That's why it's saying 404. It's not Gmail, it's just messages. See, ChatGPT is like making ton of mistakes. इसने अभी दिया रिक्वेस्ट मैपिंग, इतने देर तक नहीं दिया था भाई ने. सो ये हमने अपडेट नहीं किया. इट इज़ नॉट रॉन्ग दो. वी आर, and this function is not required now. So let me restart. Guys, like the stream, yaar. Guys, do like the stream. I am not asking you to subscribe to the channel yet. Don't subscribe to the channel yet because you guys don't know me. So you just like the stream so that whenever I'll be online, you will guys get a notification. You will get notified, and then you tune in again, and then uske baad bhi if you like what I'm doing here, then you can consider of subscribing to the channel. But right now, just like the stream. Access request blocked to invalid. Invalid. I understood. Now the email. Rohit Munde 007 James Bond. Password is password. यार कितना टू स्टेप वेरिफिकेशन. Okay, so it should show some. Okay, Gmail messages, explicit white label page. This application has no explicit mapping for error. Because we haven't added anything for the error. He is right. The Discord page should be always on the left. Mm, what it's saying, Spring Boot HTTP exception. It's an handled exception, unhandled exception. Checked or unchecked, it's Java. क्या लिखा है इसने? Sometimes chat brain is like unpredictable. हाय भैया, हेलो बादल, हाउ आर यू ब्रो? आज कैंपस ड्राइव थी, लास्ट राउंड देख कर आया आया था, अभी 9 बजे, सो एग्जॉस्टिंग. पता नहीं क्या आएगा रिजल्ट. डोंट वरी ब्रो, अभी यू डिड योर पार्ट, नाउ जस्ट चिल. लास्ट राउंड तक पहुंचना इटसेल्फ सॉलिड है, अब थोड़ा रेस्ट ले. रिजल्ट के ओवर थिंकिंग थ्रेड को सीपीयू मत दे अभी. Ultra motivation by chat brain. Yeah, chat brain is like on the next level, bro. People should recognize this chat. People should not recognize me. People should recognize this chat brain. This can become my core feature, or chat brain's core feature can be me. मोटिवेशन नहीं, सीपीयू सेविंग एडवाइस था. कभी भी बोर जोक भी देता है. इट्स बोरिंग जोक. ओवर थिंकिंग का बैकग्राउंड प्रोसेस बंद करो और स्लीप मोड ऑन. व्हाट द फक. लेट मी गिव दिस टू दिस. ये क्या हुई भाई इसको? समथिंग हैपेंड ब्रो. मैकबुक्स पे अच्छा सीरी में टाइप हो रहा है क्या? सीरी कुछ काम का नहीं है, फिर भी एग्जिस्ट करता है. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एरर आया है. फॉरबिडन एरर. इट्स अ फॉरबिडन एरर. द इंटेलिजे कंसोल लेट्स अस नो. Message result had insufficient authentication scope. So we did not add the scopes, it seems. So confirm scope properties. Where do I need to add this? स्कोप. एप्लीकेशन प्रॉपर्टीज में ये स्कोप हमने ऐड नहीं किया है. So yeah, it has this only. Now we need this read only scope. Okay, fair, totally fair. Let's move ahead. It should work now, and kindly don't read through the messages. हम्म, हाँ वाह, एक्सेस ब्लॉक चलना। कितना पुराना फोन यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं, देखो पिक्सल। Access block, Orders Hub has not completed the Google verification pro. I did, bro. I did. कैसे तो है? What this nonsense? Let me try again. You are a developer of Orders Hub. See error. Request detail access online open ID. This. Okay. Redirect this. Okay. Forbidden. You need to add as a tester. Okay, let me open the console. I have console open. मेरे को लगा ही था यहाँ पे ऐड करना पड़ेगा. So let me add the tester. Where is the tester? Add secret, add URI. How to add a tester? Is it the audience? Publish app, external, add users. Yeah, add testers. Let me add this. Save, macha. Ineligible account is not added. The following email address are either not associated with a Google account, or the account is not eligible for the designation as a test user. Why? Acha, it's already here now. Let me refresh the page. I can show you this page. So this is where I'm trying to add the test user. Test user is already here. Let me add other users as well. Let me add this email ID. Yeah, this has been added. So let me come to the point. Jesse, now it would not let us log in again. So in this here only, let me do this. Because I already logged in and now there is only one way. Rohit Munde. Password is James Bond 007. Google hasn't verified this app. Google hasn't verified this app. But we are in the test mode, bro. इसलिए सो जाओ भाई, तुमने बहुत मेहनत की है आज. Go and sleep. Just sleep. Yesterday you were asking some questions, Badal. If you want to ask that, ask that. Else now you are tired, go to sleep. That's expected because the app is still in the test and unverified. Since you added yourself as a test user, click continue. Do we have? Acha, we have a continue button, bro. I didn't check that. View email messages. Order service already has some access. Okay, pretty. Okay, there are these many messages. Okay, we got this result now. I guess it's working now. So these many messages has orders written in this one. So that is what we were trying to see. Perfect. Gmail access work or feasibility is confirmed. Next, fetch the full email using its ID. Um, Now let's see if we can read that particular email. So path variable string, import class, and then restart the app. Yeah, stop and rerun, and then check this ID. Okay, in the new tab, I can do this. मेरे को बार बार लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा because I'm in the test mode. I hope it should not block me for log into other. Okay, we got the email now. So what's this email look like? Authentication result name. Which exact email did it fetch? Hi Rohit, welcome to Google on your new PC. Here we are the tips to get started. What email is it? Uh, let ChatGPT figure this out. Check this. Come check this. Guys, like the stream. मेरा एंगल ऐसे नीचे से ऊपर दिखता है, which is wrong, you know. It gives a feeling of a horror movie. Yeah. You guys are silent today. Why this silent treatment? You guys are not getting what I'm trying to do over here. Subject review Google account, no reply. This is an actual email. Inside this, the email is clearly not an order. So your next step is this newly. Yeah. So what to do now? Because our current email that we checked is the first email that we fetched, but the actual goal is to get the email which has orders mentioned in this. Like somewhere order should be mentioned in that one. Or maybe I can quickly go and check my Gmail. Gmail. I'll not open Gmail account in front of you. You guys are. Yash Mishra. Hello, 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 Sarji. How are you, bro? What's up? Yeah, I got this Super Socks car refund. So let me see. Will this detect the order? Because some of the emails has HTML embedded in this one. So you can see this. There is no issue on this page. At least there is nothing for me to worry about. So this message it should check. Mm, you go here. You come here. Okay. Let me see the function. Change the URI Gmail API list to this dot URI dot URI dot URI. This this should be replaced with this. Okay, and it should fetch me the order. It should fetch me the recent order only. HTTPS Google APIs messages, order confirmed or your order shipped or delivered. Refund date also should be there, So my goal is to have this order confirmed, or let's see this one. भैया मेरे को बार बार लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा क्या गूगल ऑथेंटिकेशन के लिए? Did I sign up for this? I did not. Hello Yash. Yash, bhai, kindly like the stream, please. So I'll explain to you, if anybody has a question, what I'm trying to do over here today. As you guys know, we have started this SaaS application, and we are just testing the core functionality of it. Like, is it really feasible or not? Like checking the orders email in the Gmail account, and can we read that email actually? So that is what the complete status quo of this, So let me paste here only the another this. Oh, not this. Oh, not this, not this. So not this. Party. Messages and ID, which is correct. This ID, I can give this ID, but it should show me the message, but still it's showing me the messages. Uh, is this correct URL to test? It did not fetch. Yeah, it's okay, Yash bro. I know I'm streaming little late nowadays, but yeah, I can understand. Good night, bro. I have to start by 8 somehow, but my work start at 6 p.m. How would stream at 8 p.m.? I have to figure this out. It's not giving us this. Let me confirm this function if this is correct. Is this code correct? Like in this manner, we can skip the iPhone security. We don't have to do all this searching on the mobile front side, but we can do all this searching in the backend side. So from the API side, we can get this data and showcase in the iOS application as well. So maybe I guess this is how it works. I have never developed something for iOS specifically. No, this method ID, but your oh, acha, 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 acha. I messed up somewhere. I messed up big. uh, उसको दे देते एक बार भाई, मेरा क्या है, इसको फिक्स करके दे दे. Yeah, yes, bro. Without any philosophy, you are going, but yeah. फिर से लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा। पार्टी पार्टी। Every time I have to do login or what? Next, password. Guys, kindly like the stream, yaar. I'll stop streaming live on the daily basis then if you guys are not liking the stream. Yeah, we got something. Your feedback helps us. Blank denim. Yeah, yeah. It fetched the correct order now. Yes, and that is what we wanted. Let me search this. मैंने कोई पैंट ऑर्डर किया हुआ था which is very bad, but it's still left in my closet now because I forgot मैंने कहाँ से ऑर्डर किया था इसको. Yeah, it found out that part, which is nice. Let me copy the exact subject. Do we have subject? प्यार की गलियां. Arc authentication result. What is this? Return path received from 03 SGR. Judge me email. What is this email? Request blank. Judge me. Oh, okay. प्यार की गलियां. Rohit, how do you like the brand? Okay, there are multiple emails. Let me check if this subject really exists. Okay, this is the exact subject that they have. मेरे को लगा ये ब्रांड नेम मेरे इसमें से रह गया कि सर्च में आ गया, लेकिन द ऑटोमेशन दैट दिस कंपनी हैव फ्रॉम देयर साइड, दे हैव यूज दिस जज मीज का समथिंग इंटीग्रेशन एंड दे फॉरगॉट टू ऐड देयर ब्रांड नेम इन देयर, so it's saying brand name, so this was that local of a brand. So that's why I want to combine all those orders in one place so that all these things should be there. Yeah, this part is working. So party working, let me give this to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT will be on the same page, and meanwhile we can plan the next mohim. Meanwhile guys, you do like the stream? Okay, so this part is working now. I can be sure about this now. So connect every inbox. So this part we tested. It is the POC that we did. We did the POC. This authentication is worked. We used it for the Spring Boot. Connected emails, we only connected one email, and that is what we wanted. So now we have to add this to multiple tables. Add the connected email accounts into connected Gmail accounts ka table, and then fetch. We need to create a service in which all the emails, like these emails, will go into a funnel. It will go into a funnel This funnel का job is to like convert uh, email into useful JSON object, and that JSON will be stored in the orders table. So this is what we want to do now. Okay, this part is tested, and yesterday we created these entities, and now we are good to go. Now we can create the tables for all of these things. Now you guys know what actually we did over here. So I was very confused that this thing will really work or not, because the core logic was completely dependent on how much of the Gmail, how much of the emails that Google give us access to read. So Google is giving us almost everything, almost every other access to read that particular email, and now we can actually fetch the required emails. Like it is giving us in the chunks, and that is what we want, because we can keep maintain the database for that. We will fetch the emails in which order is something regarding the order has been mentioned. So that logic, business logic, we will write, and based on that it will convert to JSON, and that JSON will be stored, not exactly JSON, but the data will be stored in the database tables, the table that I have created. And from there we can simply show the data. It's so fucking simple now. मैं ऐसे ही इसको complicate कर रहा था. It's so fucking simple now. We can quickly finish this within a week. Nice, यार. What ChatGPT is saying, this is useful, but it is not the original order confirmation. It is a review request and send purchased. Still proves we can extract. Yeah, that is what we wanted to check. Is order email false? Yeah, this kind of a JSON that we want to have. Okay, so this is a good progress now. And you stay on this page. I'll be back. I'm very thirsty now. I'll get water. जिसने भी like नहीं किया, kindly do like the stream, because yesterday we had 35 likes on the stream, and everybody was excited about this project. Where is that excitement went? Kindly like the stream. Okay. So we did a really good progress, and the goal that I have mentioned in the stream above, connect Gmail account and identify at least one order email, and that is what we have completed. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me do that part. Uh, yes, is the real game here. Attendance mark, contribution accepted. Now you are the class that defines methods and behaviors of profound significance, great enough to redirect a river to the ocean. I shape my life like writing the code, hoping that one day I'll be able to create an instance of you, Baap re Baap. I'm grateful you were generous enough to use a public access modifier, allowing people like me to reach your inner functions variable. Good night, bye bye. That dangerously poetic, bro, actually. Now ChatBrain is able to replicate what I'm trying to say. It exactly said this, that dangerously poetic for a coding stream. Just make sure tomorrow's exam doesn't throw a null pointer exception first. Cheers. Okay. So guys, kindly like the stream. Once I see the 10 likes, then I'll move forward, because today's goal was achieved very early. Now on the stream, I'm achieving these goals very fast, like within half an hour or 45 minutes I'm able to complete the task assigned to myself. So I should set some bigger goals to me. Okay, so what should be the next goal? The next goal is very simple, like these tables entities that we have created only one entity. So let's create sorry, all the entities first. All the entities, and we can see the tables created inside our Docker is sleeping somewhere. Yeah, Docker is here. So here, let me go to execute. Yeah, we can go and set that thing. Okay, I don't have to commit this particular part. Should I commit? Yeah, let me commit this part. So let me commit this as a POC. uh, Gmail connection POC to read the orders email. Okay, commit. And let me do git push paraphrase this. Okay, pushed. Now we are on the master branch, sorry, main branch. So let me create git checkout -b and current branch, switch to current branch. Yeah, git pull origin, because it wouldn't be here, so it should throw an error. Current paraphrase. Yeah, there is nothing. So git push, there is also nothing. Yeah, new branch is there now, so we can work on this. Because the advantage of doing this, even though I'm the solo developer on this one, the advantage of doing this is I can create PR from current to main, and I can use different agents to review this PR and fix my code. So that is the advantage. Before merging the code into main, I can verify and review the code by myself. Okay, so मैंने यूज़र के अंदर यूज़र बनाया था, और शुड आई हैव एंटिटीज़ का फोल्डर सेपरेटली? लेट मी चेक माय ओल्डर प्रोजेक्ट. Let me ask Codex, should I have one no, ChatGPT has the complete decorandum of this. Now back to basics code. Should I have one folder for entities, or separate folders for all 4 entity? Oof. Let me see how many of you have liked the stream. uh एक second, it's an office message. Okay, yeah, thank you for the 10 like. Now I can peacefully do my next work. So yeah, this is the correct approach. So let me create the entities as defined. Email, Gmail. इधर मत जा इधर. So this, let me uncomment this. Let me uncomment this. Okay, and now let me primary, it's a primary key. What is, मैं ये भूल जाता हूँ यार, ID Jakarta persistent ID, I do forget. My IntelliSense is off. Let me turn on the IntelliSense. Uh, Turn on my Copilot IntelliSense. Party. Meanwhile, let me write this. What are you doing, bro? Bro, I'm creating my own application, Orders app. This is the UI for it. Hey, not community brain, yeah. This has wrong context. Let me remove this message. एक second. Yeah, see, this is the Orders Hub application that I'm trying to build over here. It is solving a specific problem that I am facing in day-to-day life of mine. So I like to do shopping from different applications, like not just application, different sites, Instagram shopping that I do mostly. And most of the time I forgot like these small website, Lala websites, like कहाँ से मैंने क्या order किया था. So most of the time I don't remember, or I don't keep an eye on what happened to my order. Is it delivered? Or if it's delivered, is it a right product? If it's not right, how do I have to return it and everything. All those policies and everything, I don't have this uh, like accumulated at one place, like you have for Amazon and Flipkart. You can see and keep an eye on each and every order, but not every website is as popular as Amazon, Flipkart. So for that, I want to combine each and everything so that I can connect multiple emails. Get all the orders, and show a very simple list of that, which will have the current status, OTP and everything, and written policy, sab kuch, everything will be at one place. So that is what I want to build over here. This is not, I don't want to build the monthly spends and all. These are like the cherry on top of things, but the list is what I want to build over here. So this is an orders hub basically. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to build over here. uh, I have to restart IntelliJ. It's saying I'll not restart an IntelliJ. So let me write all those things. There is like generated value, mm, generated value, and इसमें क्या लिखना होता है? We have to write something, strategy. Jakarta identity is the, yes, identity is the one. And for email, it's a column, a simple column, and then this column name would be uh, email, and value would be like email का क्या होता है, नेम ईमेल देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है मेरे को. Nullable is false, unique is true, email will be unique. And then length, max length or length, या length 2048. नहीं, ईमेल इतना लंबा नहीं होता. ईमेल कितने का होता है? Email is 255. Okay, and then name, we want column. What are you trying to say, bro? What are you saying? Um, why you don't use AI for generate structure and you use review it? Nahi, nahi. See, I have created so many projects just by vibe coding. Uh, See, I have kept it very clear. If I want to, if my goal is to learn something new, and this project is going to go on my resume, that's why I'll use AI very less. Like I'll not use AI to generate code. So I'll want to write everything by myself. जहाँ पे भी wherever I'll stuck, I'll use AI, but not to write the code because this project is gonna be on my resume. So I should be able to explain each and everything now. And about the review part, come on, guys. We all know how much we review the AI code and how we review it. We just pretend that we understood everything, but literally we don't. If there are some projects that I want to be done very quickly, and I don't want to showcase it to anyone, and just those are just for my personal use case, then I do vibe coding like fully, like 100% vibe code. So the chart AI that you are seeing in this one, in the chart, this is the chart brain that I've created. It is a very structured and self-learning system that I've created. It is running right now, and this is mostly vibe coded. Like 70%, 80% is vibe coded. So this is for this, and name is also nullable false, and the length would be 100 only. Okay, and yeah, this much it is. uh the next entity would be our connected accounts. So let me create a folder, new package, connected accounts. I hope this is correct folder structure that I'm choosing. What folder structure ChatGPT told me to do? Users, connected account dot java. Yeah, I hope you got my point, bro. And this is an entity. uh its name would be connected accounts. Yeah, true. And then inside this, what all things that we need id. Let me copy this id as it is. Id is what we need, email and user id. So let me get email. Oh, sorry. And then there will be a cardinality, and it will extends base entity भी अपने को complete करना है. I think AI can generate basic very good. Our mission is must validate and take it follow right logic of ourselves, just it. No, my I'm learning Java from scratch on the stream, and this is the 102nd day for me learning Java. Once I get very good at Java and everything, I will use AI for everything. I'm a front end developer, and I'm working on Angular for almost 3 years now. And now I don't even write a piece of code in Angular. I just make all the AIs write the code, and I just review it, and I know what's happening over there. But this is something new that I'm learning, so I'll uh, till my brain gets trained into this thing, I'll try to write most of the code by hand. Wherever I get stuck, there is an AI to help, you know. And then there is like private uh, private long user id. Okay, so now this is a relationship that we want to build over here. How to build the relationship now. So this is something that, so let me first do and fix the entities now. This this and I don't want it to be an entity, separate entity. Base entity should not be a separate entity. mm, Let me ask chart now. This base entity, I don't want it to be a table in my DB. So what's the right way to write it? Because if I add entity on top of it, it will create a table for this. It will not understand key this is just an extendable class. Okay. This base entity, I'll inspect base entity. Okay, inspected. Use mapped superclass. It tells JPA to include these fields in child entity tables without creating a base entity table. Oh, okay. ये मेरे को पता नहीं था. See, these new things can AI help us to understand, but the one that I know, I should be able to do it on my own. Local date column, is it right? Uh, the created at table, is this created at updated at is correct? I should follow a same naming convention for the column names. So whenever there is this, so it should be created underscore at, no caps in this one, created at, nullable is true, correct? And sorry, nullable can't be true because the created at will always be there, and updatable is false, correct? And then name updated at, and this can be nullable, it can't be, so nullable also false over here. And then this, okay, so this should create, there is a function called pre something, pre persist, and we have to use this. इसको कैसे यूज करते हैं, pre persist? Because whenever this entity file is been called, it should store that current time as the local date and time. So there is, मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट में बनाया था on created, and in this one there is like, we have to take the local date time, uh, now is equal to local date time dot now, and we have to like created at is equal to now, and updated at is equal to now. So this will run pre-persist, it will pre-persist all those things, and this function will call, and then pre-persist this void on updated, uh, yeah, updated this on create. Okay, these things. So updated at, and this private field is assigned but never been accessed. Yeah, and then we will add all the getters and setters. getters public void set. Yeah, these all been created. mm, we can use lombok getter and setter, at the rate lombok. What's the spelling, bro? Getter and setter, so we don't need these functions. So our file will look clean. Okay, this time we will use this lombok. mm, Now the user and the these are users and connected accounts is like one to many connection. This is the one to many cardinality. uh Take with Heisenberg. Yo bro, how are you, brother? How are you guys? How are you, bro? mm, I need to really start the stream very early. This is like late. So let's build the cardinality between these two. User and connected accounts is like one to many. Okay, so this is like many to one, and this is one to many. So I have to like private uh, connected account ID, private long, sorry, long, and here it will be like one to many, and then we have to identify which is the governing side of this one. So that is the actual this. So one to many, how we can map this? Can I ask it to AI? So this is like one to many side, and this will be of list connected accounts. It is long ID, and so it will be of type list if I'm not wrong. Okay, so it will be of type list. uh, Connected type accounts, and let me import this. Import class list java util. Yeah, list of connected accounts, and then it is like new array list. Okay, and then mapped by, we have to mention in this one, if I'm not wrong, mapped by user cascade all. Okay, these two things, and there is like orphan removal true. We don't want to keep any orphaned accounts, you know. So this is this, it's crying because we haven't used this, it's never been used. So we can set getter and setter, so it should stop crying. Yeah, it did stop crying. Okay, now we have all the getters and setter. One side of relationship is ready. Now another side of this relationship, so it is many to one, correct? So this should be many to one. And in this one, इसमें क्या होता है भाई? We have to like join the column, but there is like I know we have to join the column. ये है बताए no the disadvantages of using AI. You don't remember the syntaxes now. So not user, it should be user, user and import करने के लिए क्या है option enter user from yes this and this user. So we have to join the column. So the column name is like id. What's the name of that we have given? So we haven't given any name to it, so it should be name. Is it not name? How to rename this column? It is name user id that we have to give. I don't think we need a name over here. We just need to tell him कौन सा id है. It was giving this okay suggestion and nullable false. Do we have to also mention foreign key na? Foreign key. Okay, this created some foreign key to us. And then there is like fetch or something, fetch type lazy. And then what else we have? Length डिफॉल्ट ही रहने देते हैं ना, लेंथ पे हम कुछ नहीं करते, ठीक है. So this much it is. So let's start these two and let's see if at least either these two entities are correct. Yeah, there are some mistakes. You can only annotate one callback method. Okay, there are some mistakes. Deepak Reddy, hello bro, how are you, man? Hello guys. I know Thursdays are little boring, but we have to do the boring part. Entity manager define path resources, Java JPA. एक सेकेंड, गर्मी होना चालू हो गया अभी. उफ, कहाँ पे इशू है? ये कहाँ है? या दिस hibernate configuration class breakpoint entity manager कहाँ पे है ये? Pre-persist. It's in the base entity. Pre-persist is bean class. Okay, yeah, that is there. So pre-persist. Check my base entity. Because I haven't created a bean of base entity, because I don't want a bean of base entity. That's why I wrote mapped superclass, but I want it to be pre-persist. So there is some conflict in this one. It must use pre-update, otherwise updated. अच्छा, pre-persist नहीं, pre-update. Pre-update, otherwise update won't change when an entity is updated. Okay. Pre-update. Okay, this is what we wanted, and let's start this now. And that was the issue. Okay, it started. But it would not create an database for us because we haven't called any API. So let's check inside the Docker PS. So this is the Docker image of our application, of our database which has been running. So we have to like Docker execute in the integration terminal, Docker ID space, we need terminal, the terminal is bin/bash, Okay, and now let's log in MySQL -u. User is what? Yeah, I can't show you the user, just a second. Let me log into this. uh yeah, user is this -user -p, and password is this. Okay, now you guys can see. Yeah, so we have logged in and show databases. There is orders hub has been created, so we'll use this orders hub and we'll see is there anything which has been created. So show tables. Oh, users table and all both the tables has been created, but that other ORM that I used in the Node.js, which was the ORM that I used? Unless or until I call a particular API, it wouldn't have created the tables. But yeah, Spring Boot is on the next level. So select star from users. Let's see. अरे empty define करने के लिए क्या command होता है? Uh, how to see the MySQL table structure command query. Describe table name, yeah, describe dsc uh, users. Yeah, it created id begint. Yeah, that is what we wanted. Created at, it created updated at. See, the advantage of using base entity, that we don't have to create these housekeeping columns for each and every entity, we just have to extend this base entity. So this is a good example of that, which I always use. Email, Google user ID, that what user is going to give it to us, give it to daddy. And then profile URL, and then this name. Yeah, these are fine. uh, Let me push these files now. uh, Added user and connected account entities along with base entity. Okay, so this is the basic of basic things that we are doing. Commit anyway. Local git push, git push origin current. What? Git status. Untracked file. Nothing added to commit. So git push. ये मैंने सेट किया था ब्रो. Git push hyphen set upstream origin current, and then git push. Okay, so it's working now. This basic things has been created. Now the other tables that we want, uh, let me tick mark it. So this table has been created, this table has been created. Now it's time for the orders table. So let's create the orders table now. Yes, there is always an option for me to listen to music, but stupid me always ignore of listening on to music, because life is music. What the fuck? क्या था orders, all else now. Yeah, no. Command delete. Yeah, save delete something. Package add करना था. Add a package called orders. Hey, there is an orders package already that we don't want. It should be, no, we are not using yes, so we will use order. The naming convention should be constant, so order. And in this one, we will add entity called order, order entity. Yes, add. And in this one, this is like entity, and name is like order. So, okay. And in this one, private long id that we will always have, and this is of type id. And then generated value, it is क्या था वो, क्या था, माँ की आँख, strategy, yeah, strategy, this. Okay. uh Mr. Adi, hey man, I'm an fourth year student. I was thinking of starting backend engineer as a profession, and I wanted to build one application with my own backend. I learned some backend fundamentals. Can you guide me? Yeah, I can guide you. You tell me the details, no? You can tell me the details, or you can text me on LinkedIn. I have like 3 4 open threads going on with different people on LinkedIn who are asking different questions to me. So you can always ping me on LinkedIn. Do you have a LinkedIn? Let me ask my AI assistant to give the LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Are my tokens exhausted? Okay. Yeah. How cool this thing that I have built, AI chat brain. Now user ID is again one to many, so we will have, I got we will have the same thing here. So let's build this relationship. One to many, we need one to many, one more one to many, but this time with the orders. So mapped by user is correct, cascade all through this, and instead of list we will have in order, and we will have order. Okay, and new array list, which is fine. And then inside this order we will have this at the end. ठीक है, पहले हम बाकी की चीज़ें बना लेते हैं. यूज़र आईडी, ब्रांड नेम, सो प्राइवेट स्ट्रिंग sling brand name, and this is of type column. Can it be nullable true false? Nullable false, nullable true, साला कुछ भी मतलब. And length, brand name can be 255 characters है, that much is enough. कोई brand 255 के ऊपर होगा तो brand ही नहीं होगा. Then what we want, uh, price और bill amount. गर्दन यार. Okay, brand name, order number is the important one. So private string, not product name, but order number. Order number can have numbers or strings, that's why I'm suggesting it to be a string. So order number, and it would be column, and again nullable false, and length can be like 500. लेट्स की 500 कैरेक्टर का होता है क्या? कभी मेरे पापा ने तो नहीं देखा भाई 500 कैरेक्टर का ऑर्डर नंबर. 250. ओके. यस ब्रदर, आई हैव लिंक्ड इन, आई डीएमड यू, कैन यू गाइड मी? या मैं इसके बाद सॉरी, स्ट्रीम के बाद मैं जाके सारे मैसेजेस चेक करता हूँ, और जो जो ये है आई गो एंड रिप्लाई टू देम, यू नो. सो आई लेट मी चेक तुम्हारा मैसेज आया है क्या. नो, I don't see your message, bro. I don't see your message, bro. मिस्टर आदि, आपका मैसेज नहीं आया है हमारे पास. Maybe you have texted some wrong guy. Okay. Uh, then price is like bill amount. So private, not long, not int, float, uh, bill amount. Okay. At the rate column nullable true. It can be null, and then yeah, length. Sorry, Mr. Adi, if you are listening, you have to text me again because I don't see your message. Uh, OTP. So for OTP, private, yeah, is paid option is also not bad. So it should be there at the rate column. Yeah, that's much is enough. Okay. And then private big int, होता है ना, big integer, uh, OTP. Okay, and this is also a column. Okay, we need to extend base entity. Okay, what else we have? Status, yeah, order status. So private string order, or just status is fine, status. And this is like column. And can this be unavailable? Brother, I DM'd you there was error before. Okay, yeah, I got your message. Adityan Kumar. So I'll get back to you, bro. Backend guiding, I got your email. Sorry, message. Okay, status is done. String status nullable false, that is for sure, and other things doesn't matter for this. So ID done, user ID, brand name, order number, price, OTP, status is done, and invoice. So I have to store. Yes, namaskar dada, namaskar Atharva, how are you, bro? I was waiting for you, sir. How was your day? क्या क्या किया तुमने आज? I also want to store invoice if available. Can I do this in this entity? I'm not sure ki how would I store the invoice, but let's ask the AI. कैसे हो? कैसन बा? Just was stuck in the collaborative study, the thing I'm working on. या जो तुमने मेरे को कल दिखाया, 4-5 लोग थे तो ओ नाइस. Collaborative study can get a messy fast. What part are you stuck on? Syncing progress, roles, permission, real time updates, or just designing the flow? खाना हुआ क्या भाई? यस सर, यस सर, खाना हो गया. आपका खाना हुआ? if invoices will contain metadata such as invoice number, issue, tax. No, this uh no, I'll try to fetch it from the Gmail, and whatever the PDF that email has, I wanna save that. Is that possibly? Just for a second, I thought you guys are on the other scene. Burger. Burger नहीं खाया भाई. रोटी. Dapate, you know what is dapate? It's a Maharashtrian dish that I ate. दपाटे दही और अचार के साथ मस्त पेल के खाया हमने. हाउ आर यू? बर्गर इज फाइन बट डोंट लेट रोहित डिप्लॉय एन. अबे यार ब्रेन फिर तू चालू हो गया यार. इस पे कुछ ऐसे गाली एक बनाता हूँ, एक आइडिया है मेरे को. अगर एक तुम लोग कुछ गाली दो ना तो उस पर एक टाइम आउट लग जाएगा कि वो नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट के लिए, 10 मिनट, जितना भी टाइम आउट तुम देना चाहो बेस्ड ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर गाली. It will have a timeout. Okay, this is a nice idea that I'll implement. If you say something, give me a bad word, curse word for this to stop. Like curse word, chat brain. So this I'll use at a TMC brain. Yeah, that's nice. Zapate chapa. धपाटे ब्रो धपाटे. तुम लोगों को पता ही नहीं धपाटे क्या है. चीला मत बोलना, चीला कुछ अलग होता है हिंदी में. दिस इज मिक्स ऑफ ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स, ऑल द फ्लावर्स. इट हैज़ गेहूं का आटा, बाजरे का, ज्वार का आटा, चने का आटा, सब मिला के बनता है ये. Okay, one limitation: this only captures PDFs attached to email. Some retailers provide an invoice as a web page linked instead that requires a separate download flow and possible authenticity. Oh, let's skip this then. I don't want these many complicated things. uh, भाई पूरी पूरी बिना हवा का लग रहा ही है. भाई पूरी बिना हवा का लग रहा ही. क्या बोला मैं समझ नहीं. डोसा है क्या भाई? तुम लोगों को लिमिटेड चीजें ही पता है इसलिए तुम सब कुछ उसको रिलेट करने का ये करते हो. समझ लो ना, कुछ नई चीज है. इट्स समथिंग न्यू फॉर यू. कस्टम गाली अभी नहीं बोले. कस्टम गाली नहीं मिलेगी ब्रो. कस्टम एक्सेप्शन बना देते हैं. रिस्पेक्टफुली फेल होगा और स्टैक स्ट्रेस भी क्लासी रहेगा. भाई पूरी में हवा नहीं, प्रोजेक्ट में आयुष ब्रो. हेलो 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 ब्रो, हाउ आर यू ब्रदर? गाइस काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम यार. कल वी रीच्ड ऑलमोस्ट 35 लाइक्स. टुडे क्या हो गया पता नहीं. uh, जैसे हम लोगों को डीएसए पढ़ने के लिए यूट्यूब और एआई यूज करना पड़ता है, राइट? रिवीजन में भी टाइम. यस यस. वो सब फास्ट और इफेक्टिव तरीके से होगा. उस लेवल तक लेके जाना है जहाँ जाना है. मैं नहीं समझा. उस लेवल तक लेके जाना है आप जैसे सीनियर लोग भी आ पाओ. ओ नाइस नाइस. गुड 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 गुड. देयर वाज अ स्टोरी. आई एकदम से मेरे को याद आया. तुमने जो गुड लिखा ना चार्ट में, मेरा N+2 था मेरे लास्ट कंपनी में. साला मेरे को 2 साल गोची दिया वो. 1.5 साल गोची दिया कि नहीं मैं तेरे को ये दूंगा वो दूंगा. यू विल गेट प्रमोशन, यू विल गेट दिस एंड दैट, यू डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट्स. पूरा मेरे टीम में आई वॉज हैंडलिंग वन प्रोजेक्ट. देर वॉज अ टीम ऑफ हाउ मेनी पीपल? six or seven people, yeah, including the Scrum Master. There was seven people, and then he removed all of them, and I was the only person working on front end, back end. There was two backends, two front end, one mobile application, database handling, plus DevOps pipeline management, like writing YML files and everything. And this was before the AI world. AI boom. There was no time कि तब हम AI वगैरह कुछ यूज करते नहीं थे. सबको निकाल दिया और मेरे को अकेले को रखा. और ही सेड कि आई गिव यू अ फुल स्टैक टू position once you do this. I did that for almost 1 year, and when I went for one to one this, he said no, you have to work more. I said, what the fuck, bro? I'm working on all the application at once without an issue. There hasn't been any issue since last 1 year. What's the problem? And he started like, this that on that point I understood that I have to come and do all these fucking studies. ऐसे चूतियों के बीच मेरे को अपना करियर वेस्ट नहीं करना और टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है. So why, if I can do that for those fuckers, why can't I do it for myself? So that's why I started this. क्या बोल रहे हो? मतलब एक आदमी ने इंट्यूशन दिया, वो कहाँ से आया उस पे, लोगों के थॉट से लेकर एंड तक. ओके, हाँ, मैं समझा मैं तुम्हारी आइडिया. ये चीज़ यूट्यूब चैट बॉट पे मिलता है, मिलता नहीं, मैंने भी फील करा. ओके, दैट्स अ कंटेंट गैप देन. भाई, आज की कंपनीज में वर्क बैलेंस लाइफ कैसा है? भाई, वर्क बैलेंस लाइफ इज़ गुड इफ़ यू आर इन अ गुड कंपनी. लाला कंपनी में ख़राब होता है. एंड क्या बोलते हैं उसको, प्रोडक्ट नहीं, सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज में भी खराब होता है, बट इन प्रोडक्ट बेस मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इट्स गुड. यू कैन रेज वॉइस एंड ऑल, बट सम क्वार्टर्स लाइक क्वार्टर्स एंड आर लाइक हेक्टिक, लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा काम आता है, तो अप एंड डाउन चलता है. बट या वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इज गुड इन प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी. इन माई कंपनी ऑल्सो इट्स वेरी नाइस. Right now though I'm working in two different shifts, but yeah, sometimes I get free time in between also, so that's not an issue. हाँ, कंपनी से ज़्यादा टीम और मैनेजर मैटर करता है. एकदम एकदम सही बोला है भाई ये चैट ब्रेन ने, एकदम ही सही बोला है. विदाउट दैट, विदाउट दिस फकिंग मैनेजर, तुम्हारा मैनेजर ही खराब होना, तुम्हारे लौड़े लग जाते हैं भाई. एक बार को तुम्हारी वाइफ खराब हो चलती है, लेकिन मैनेजर खराब नहीं चाहिए भाई. इट्स ट्रू ऑनेस्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ गॉड. ओके, सो हम ये गाइज काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम यार. एआई बार बार माइनर पॉइंट में घुसता नहीं, राइट? नहीं नहीं, नहीं घुसता. I want to train this chat brain how to avoid procrastination. Just start. Just start, bro. There is no other way to stop procrastination. अगर सोते सोते लग रहा है ना यार, मेरे को मैंने ये करना चाहिए था, वो करना, तो कर ना. वो कौन था, वो केजरीवाल का नहीं था क्या मीम? तो कर ना, उठो और एकदम से चालू कर दो भाई. What is the most important thing? I'll ask you one question, okay? Ayush, what is the, if suppose you have to write an essay, there is an assignment from your college, and in which you have to write an essay. So tell me, what is the most important thing to finish that essay? What is the most and unavoidable thing to finish that essay? Tell me this quickly. जिसने लाइक नहीं किया, काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम यार. I have already completed the goal 1. Now it's time for goal 2, and I'm doing this overhead now. Even though I worked on this. बताओ आयुष, स्टार्ट लर्न एआई. स्टार्ट लर्न एआई कहाँ से आया? इसने क्या डिलीट किया अथर्व ने? स्टार्ट लर्न एआई नहीं तो, इफ यू वांट टू फिनिश योर एसे, यू वांट टू स्टार्ट लर्न एआई, एआई से कॉपी पेस्ट. ना ना bro, the most important thing to finish your assignment, finish your essay is to start the essay. अगर तुम स्टार्ट ही नहीं करोगे तो फिनिश कैसे करोगे? सो स्टार्ट करने के लिए ही प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करता है इंसान, तो वो प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन कर छोड़ उसका उसके लिए एक ही उपाय है, जस्ट स्टार्ट द वर्क, जस्ट राइट द फर्स्ट लाइन, उसके बाद के नेक्स्ट 4-5 लाइन्स यू विल इजीली राइट. सो नेक्स्ट 4-5 थिंग्स यू विल इजीली डू, एंड देन धीरे धीरे इट विल कम टू एन एंड. बहुत बोर लगा होगा लेकिन ये बहुत इफेक्टिव है भाई, पता है, ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना है हर चीज़ में, सीधा एक्शन करना है सीधा. मेरे को अभी ये प्रोजेक्ट करना था, ठीक है. मेरे को इतनी नींद आ रही थी, आई वॉज वर्किंग सिंस मॉर्निंग 10, आई वेंट टू ऑफिस, बारिश में गया, कॉल्स अटेंड किए, इतने सारे इश्यूज थे वो रिजॉल्व किए, देन देर वॉज अ मीटिंग, ये सब करके मैं निकला. निकलने के बाद भी मेरे को बारिश मिली, मेरा टायर पंक्चर हो गया था. देन फिर मैंने वो सब फिक्स किया, आया मैं जस्ट 5 मिनट बिफोर आया मैं. 6 बजे कॉल था, 6 से 7 कॉल चला, उसमें भी सब डिस्कशन, मेरे पीआर पे रिव्यू, ये सब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई. देन आई वर्कड बिकॉज द पीआर वाज इम्पोर्टेंट. आई वर्क टिल 9:15. देन आई took a nap of 15 minutes, got up, created this thumbnail for this stream, and then immediately started. I knew what I knew only one thing कि मेरे को ये Gmail connect करके देखना है. I didn't knew any other thing, but I started and it done within just half an hour. It's done, bro. So if I would have procrastinated it, ये कभी भी नहीं हो पाता. Tejas, hello bro. Tejas, how are you, brother? Sorry, I missed your text. भाई Django लर्न कर रहा हूँ, बाकी सब हो गया. आप अब अप्लाई करूँ या फ्रंट एंड भी सीख लूँ? नहीं नहीं नहीं, अप्लाई करो ब्रो, अप्लाई करो. यू नो, द मोर नंबर ऑफ इंटरव्यूज यू विल गिव, द मोर फास्ट यू विल लर्न. ऐसे नहीं होगा कि यू गिव योर सेल्फ 3 months, यू लर्न बैक एंड फ्रंट एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड यू गिव द फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू एंड यू विल गेट सेलेक्टेड. नो, इंटरव्यू में जाके you will understood your real level, real depth, how much far you are from your preparation. Within the first few questions you will understand, oh okay, my preparation is this much and I have to learn this much, and you will get a clear understanding and clear roadmap once you fail in an interview. So start applying and start giving the interviews. जितना आता है उतने पे ही दे दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप ही बताओ, रिवीजन कैसे करते हो आप? एआई खोलना पड़ता है या अकेले में नोट्स खोलो? नहीं नहीं, एआई खोलना पड़ता है ब्रो, आजकल बिना एआई खोले कुछ नहीं होता. या तो 30 मिनट प्रॉम्प्ट दो etc, एंड एआई हर पॉइंट को टच नहीं करता, राइट? नहीं नहीं, एआई हर पॉइंट को टच नहीं करता. यू हैव टू गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, एकदम ही बड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम मत दो. यू गो लाइक इन लिटिल स्टेप्स, यू मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड रिवाइज ईच एंड एवरी part. I know you are revising lead code right now, okay? So for the lead code, you can try to write the same solution what you wrote earlier, ठीक है, without looking at the code first. Don't use AI in between. And once you get stuck, that means that particular logic is not clear to you, and then try to try run with the actual original code, and then you can use AI to tell me how to try run this particular thing. So do revision in that way. Not always your notes will be better, because our notes, I know, बहुत बार मिस आउट हो जाते हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें. आयुष, गाइस तुम लोग लाइक नहीं कर रहे हो यार, ऐसा मत करो, लाइक करो स्ट्रीम को. ब्रो, हमारे कॉलेज में प्लेसमेंट के नाम पे सेल्स वाली एडटेक कंपनी को कॉल करते हैं. इज इट गुड और टू जॉइन टेक बेस्ड? एवरीथिंग इज गुड ब्रो. फॉर योर फर्स्ट जॉब, just try to, whatever your college is giving you, just appear for the interview, appear for the interview and get the offer letter, and based on that offer letter you can get another job. You keep applying outside of your campus placement through Naukri, LinkedIn, wherever, whatever the platform वहाँ से you keep applying, and if you get an offer from the college which is good, then the next company will give you the first preference, and they'll ask you, do you have any offer? You say yes, I have an offer in my hand, and they say how much. If you say XYZ, for example 7 lakhs, then how much you are expecting, why you are switching, why you are looking out for other jobs. Then you can say I'm looking for this specific role, this, and then okay, they'll say okay, how much you are expecting. You say I'm expecting around the same or maybe 10 lakhs. Then the company will schedule your interview दो, क्लियर करो और नया अच्छा ऑफर ले लो. सो कॉलेज वाला मत छोड़ो कभी भी जॉब. whether you pick AI or YouTube, and it is also eats more time. या कोई भी टाइम ये कर लेता है. बेस्ट ये है कि ट्राई टू डू इट बाय योर सेल्फ. जहाँ पे स्टक हो वहाँ पे हेल्प लो. ओके, थैंक यू बेबी. बेबी, भैया, ओ भाई, हर्ष जंगरा, थैंक यू. थैंक यू भाई. कोलैबोरेटिव वाला उस पे काम करेगा. ओके, मैं आपको बता रहा था. ओ ओके ओके ओके, सॉरी सॉरी. तुम्हारे मैसेजेस मेरे को है ना कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं. Even if we get successful, saving 2 hours of time of people. Yeah, actually. I got this input from so many people. After that, working on this also felt 2 3 hour streams are not benefiting, right? Yeah. Kabhi kabhi we feel we have to sit for 4 5 hours as well. Yeah, back to the work. I have created ID, user ID, brand name, order number, price, OTP, status. What else do I need? Let me ask. What else? What? Oh, there is one thing is left. I have created this one to one. Now I want this side many to one. Okay, in the orders. So fetch type this. User ID nullable, foreign key is account, foreign key connected. Account user nahi. This is order. Order is okay. आप जैसे लोग का टाइम बचेगा उसमें तब सक्सेसफुल माना जा सकता है. हाँ. हेल इंडी. हेल इंडी ब्रो. मस्त सा टैगलाइन बनाया है तुमने भाई अथर्व. आई लाइक इट. This much is enough. Let me add the Lombok getters and setter. Uh, Getter and setter. Okay, this much is it is. What else column would be good to have here? Let me ask the same question to ChatGPT. What other columns would be good to have here? Add only fields needed for the first UI, not float. अच्छा, big decimal. ऐसी गलती करेगा तो कैसा बनेगा गुंडा तू. बिग डेसिमल. ए, दिस इज बिग इंटीजर. बिग डेसिमल कहाँ है? हाँ, फ्लोट. बिल अमाउंट, बिग डेसिमल. String OTP, not big integer. Remove for that. String, okay. Enum. No, this status is like we cannot have enum of it. There can be different companies may follow different types of statuses. So let me say this. Different types of companies may follow different statuses. So how can we have a enum for this? So this is not gonna work. Enum, it should be string is fine. Whatever the status it's showing, we will just get the status and we'll show it on the UI. Nothing else. We will not do any fancy stuff in this one, correct? Store two statuses. चलना स्टोर टू स्टेटसेस, बहन जो चैट जीपीटी को जो भी दे दो वो अपने इसमें दिमाग चलाते जाता है, मत कर इतना मुश्किल। कभी कभी गाली देने का मन करता है, चूतिया है क्या? With this much is enough. We have accommodated this one to many as well, and now order items is the last part that we have left. I'll be back to the messages, guys. Please do like the stream in meanwhile. So let me add one more entity, order items, order item. Okay, so order items, and let me entity, and let's name this name order items. Okay, order items is the one, and then let's create private long id, and then this id, let's create the columns as well now. So this will be of type id Jakarta persistent, and it will have a generated value. Okay, and in this one क्या था वो identity a, इंटेलिजेंस दे मेरे को भाई, क्या था वो स्ट्रैटेजी, क्यों नहीं दे रहा ये स्ट्रैटेजी जकार्ता परसिस्टेंस। ओके, देन ऑर्डर आईडी बाद में लेते हैं, प्रोडक्ट नेम, प्रोडक्ट यूआरएल and product quantity price. Okay, so private string product name, private string product URL if present, and then private int quantity. ठीक है, what else, price, private big decimal price. Okay, let's add the columns now. So column product name nullable false, length this, then column nullable not false, it can be null. Okay, and then no restriction on the size, and then yeah, if there is no restriction it takes 255, so we have to like give the real length 2048. Okay, because it's an URL, and then quantity at the rate column is enough for this, and for this also at the rate column is enough. And then order item, it should have extend base entity, and then we should have the getters and setters for this uh, from the Lombok, getter and setter. Okay, now we want to create a relationship between order and order items, so let's go here and create order will be one to many, and then okay, let me create private list of order item. One order will have many order items, so order items, let me copy this order items. Guys, kindly like the stream. I'm not gonna talk to you unless or until you give me likes now. Array list. Okay, Atharva, I'll be back in a minute. I can see you texting, just a minute. Import class. Okay, one to many हमने क्या लिखा था, this much is mapped by भी बता रहे हैं ना, owner side and cascade all. So mapped by order, ठीक है, then cascade all, and then remove orphan removal. Yeah, orphan removal is what we want. True. Then owner side is done. Child side is like many to one. Okay, and इसमें fetch type lazy, and then join column order id nullable foreign key is this items, and then order. Yeah, correct. So this is it, and let me run this now. It should create all the columns now for us. Kindly like the stream, guys. Come on, guys. Hey macha, there is some error. I like the error. I want to solve the errors. The more number of errors I solve now, the more good I'll become in coding. Foreign key reference is wrong somewhere. Where is the first error? Yeah. Tool hibernate error. DDL create table order. Int ID big int not null auto increment. Created at date. Time 6 not null updated. This brand name this warchar this engine DB why JDBC you have an error in SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponds to your mass. Acha, it forming a wrong query, so that means there is something wrong over here. Let me see the messages now. कहाँ तक पढ़ा था मैंने? I got this input from so many people. After that, working on this, also felt 2-3 hours streams are not benefiting, right? Yeah, ये मैंने पढ़ा था. मोटिवेटर ने डिलीट कर दिया, फिर से कुछ डिलीट कर दिया, और भी डिलीट कर दिया. दीपक कटोरी, he deleted the message. Nice. Good job, guys. You guys don't know that I can see your messages on the screen even if you delete the messages. Build an AI meeting lecture summarizer with action items searchable. I guess this was the Deepak's message. काफ़ी पॉइंट्स पे डिस्कशन हुआ, और आज डे 2 था रैंडम में ट्राई करते हुए, एंड इट्स वर्किंग नाइस. रैंडम थिंग्स ही ऑलवेज वर्कआउट करती है, पता है. एंड गाइस काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम यार. yesterday we got almost 30-35 likes, and today you guys are lazy. Like today's audience is not so good. Actually I did तो complete first integration. मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊं क्या? Yes, this authentication we did. We actually got the email connected to our email account, Gmail account, and from there I fetched an orders email, a specific email, and from that email we can get the information. Now we have all the information in the JSON format. We just have to extract the information and store it in the orders entity by converting it to a particular template, right? So tomorrow we can once now today our entities are created, so tomorrow we can come and understand which or not understand plan which APIs we actually need based on the UI. This UI, you can guys see, this is the base UI that I have. Based on this UI, what all APIs that I need, and we will only build that much APIs. We will have a basic API structure created, basic APIs created with authentication, and once that is done, we will quickly build our React native application. In that one we will use mostly AI, because React पे काम करके मेरे को टाइम हो गया, सो AI का यूज़ करके जल्दी एप्लीकेशन बनाएंगे. I'll install it on my mobile phone. ठीक है, मोबाइल फ़ोन पे इंस्टॉल करके एंड टू एंड चेक करेंगे कि क्या कैसे काम कर रहा है. सो आई डोंट थिंक इट वुड टेक मोर देन 4-5 days of time. So hopefully it will work. So guys, like the message. Sorry, like the stream. कहाँ तक पढ़ा था मैंने? I got in contact with a guy 2 days ago. He's from IIT Madras. Oh, nice. We were in a call around 2 hours. So that's nice, यार. यही तो है network का फायदा. In network, you meet such good people that they motivate you to grow or learn something new. काफ़ी पॉइंट्स पे डिस्कशन हुआ, और आज डे 2 रैंडम में ट्राई करते करते इट्स वर्किंग. या like the stream arrow, guys. Attacking in all 4 direction. Yes, BFS all 4 directions, all the direction. थोड़ा ऊपर से पढ़े मैसेज. सॉरी तुमने डिलीट कर दिया, मैं क्या पढ़ूँ बताओ. आई गॉट दिस इनपुट फ्रॉम सो मेनी. ये मैंने पढ़ा था, ये मैंने सारे मैसेजेस पढ़े ब्रो तुम्हारे. हेल इंडी. यस, हेल इंडी. गाइज, like the stream. It is an error. Big int auto increment. सही है, you read it, yes. Create table order, big int not null. Auto increment कहाँ है created there? Oh shit, now I'm sleeping. जब नींद आती है तो एरर एआई सॉल्व करता है, तब मेरा दिमाग लगना कम हो जाता है। लेकिन ये क्या है, व्हाट कैर बीडीएल क्रिएट टेबल बिग इंट नॉट नल, कहाँ पे क्या तुतुल पुतुल भाई। ओ टेबल नेम ऑर्डर्स, यार ये मैंने हर जगह पे सेम गलती किया है क्या, टेबल नेम। जैसे तू है ऐसे चाहिए यार टेबल नेम, तो मैंने हर एक इसमें गलती किया है क्या। लेट मी ट्राई दिस। बाकी इसमें क्यों प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ऑर्डर्स के लिए क्यों प्रॉब्लम आया बस। ओके इट क्रिएटेड द टेबल्स, लेट मी गो एंड चेक इनसाइड द डॉकर। आवाज बैठ गई भाई मेरी। डिस्क्राइब यूजर्स, ओके एंड शो टेबल्स। वी हैव ऑल द 4 टेबल्स क्रिएटेड, जो हमने प्लान किया था वो टेबल्स हमारे बन चुके हैं। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू गाइस। सी, we planned orders, connected accounts, users, connected accounts, orders, and orders items. So these 4 tables are intact now. Now our next target is to plan the APIs now. We can do that immediately. At least I'll have a basic understanding of what APIs are, which APIs we should have, and then based on that we can create. So let me add the commit message. Mm, back to messages. सही है, यू रेड इट, यस। आप वाला डायलॉग, यस। मैं ये मज़ा पूरे इंडिया को देना चाहता हूँ, यस। मैं ये मज़ा एक्चुअल में पूरे इंडिया को देना चाहता हूँ। मैं मेरे को रेडिट का एक थ्रेड मिला है, पता है, इसमें मस्त से अपने कोडिंग रिलेटेड जोक्स आते हैं। सो आई वांटेड टू हैव दैट इन वन ऑफ द स्ट्रीम्स, सो दैट वी कैन सी एंड रिएक्ट टू दोज मीम्स। हेल इंडी, शिप फास्ट, वैलिडेट फास्टर, और प्रोडक्शन को ज़्यादा एटीट्यूड मत दो। या वो वाला, वो वाला कौन सा, इमेजेस वाला, हाँ। लेट मी हैव सम, जल लीजिए। ओह बाप रे बाप, क्या प्यास लगी थी यार, इतना बोल बोल के सब गला सूख गया था मेरा। हम्म। सो यस, कितना मस्त अपना सब कुछ बन रहा है। हाउ हाउ fucking cool all those things are. Few days ago we learned Docker, and now we are extensively using the Docker for development and all. I'm liking the way how these days of streaming are going. You know, learning in public is really nice. It could have taken me so many number of days to touch down all these topics, but now because of this streaming and all, it's like quick. The barrier, the procrastination barrier is vanished. I don't even do any kind of procrastination and all. It's all gone. Okay, so today's agenda is done. So it's up to you guys. Do you want me to continue more? If I can see 5 more likes, then I'll plan the APIs also, so that we will know which controllers to use, or else I'll shut my mouth. Okay, let me push these files. Added order uh, order items. and updated user entities. Okay, so commit. Please read it aloud. चलो लगाई क्या क्या है ये स्कैम भाई? दो दो लोग अलग अलग मैसेज सेम मैसेज क्यों डाल रहे हैं? थैंक्स अथर्व. व्हाट इज दिस बट? बॉट अटैक लगता है भाई. बॉट अटैक मत दो भाई. इसको ब्लॉक मारते हैं ये जो स्पैम कर रहे थे. लेट मी रिपोर्ट. Let me report these guys first. I don't know where these people came. बॉट अटैक लगता है कोई मस्ती कर रहा है शायद. Yeah, this seems from not Indian accounts, so it's good to block them. What the fuck? Did we just got attacked? ले बेंचो 24 hours timeout. Good Atharva, you did really good job here. Kudos to you. Let me give you a big heart to you. कैसे भाई ये क्या था अभी? हाँ हाँ वही ना. वही मैं वो बोलना नहीं चाह रहा था जो तुमने बोला, लेकिन यस यू आर राइट. कुछ भी करोगे ये कमी निकालते हैं. अच्छा नहीं, ये कमी वाला सीन नहीं था. ये कुछ तो अटैक ये करने के लिए दे वर गिविंग सम मैसेजेस कि ये बोलो ये बोलो. पता नहीं ये क्या करना चाह रहे हैं. हरामी साले. गाइस सी, अटैकर्स भी आना चालू हो गए. तुम लोग कब लाइक करोगे स्ट्रीम को अभी? क्या बना रहे हो आप? ये लोग वियर्ड एक्ट करते हैं. हाँ यार ये कुछ तो अटैक ही था. ये क्या बना रहे हो? आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू ब्रो. Escape. So I'm building an Orders app. It is a first SaaS app that I'm building. I have already built some SaaS products before in my life, but this is one app, mobile application that I am building. So in this one, I have a habit of ordering from different sites now, and I want to keep track of all those orders at one place, all the OTPs, when this order is going to come, and everything, all those things. So, for that, I am building this. It is going to solve one issue of mine, one problem that I face on day to day life. So, that's the problem that we will resolve over here. And it can have multiple accounts, Gmail accounts can be connected. So that is why I'm creating this app. So this is the UI for this one, and these are the four tables that I wanted to have. The core tables, there gonna be more tables, but right now four tables are the one that I actually want, and that I have created. I have connected the email account as well, so I should be very careful showing all these things now that attackers are coming to the stream. Okay, so I have connected the email account and I fetched the email. So this is the email. So I have to convert this email, write a funnel, and add this data to these tables that which I have created, and based on that, create an API, create the APIs required for the front end, and expose the data. And I want just this to be shown over here. So this is what I want to show, and I have simplified this version so much because when I started, this idea was so complicated, but I have simplified it so much now. ये लोग वियर्ड एक्ट करते हैं, अचानक से जीनियस देन फिर नूब. ओके, लोगों को नहीं पता क्यों हुआ अभी, क्या हुआ अभी. यस यस यस, दे डोंट नो. दे शुड नॉट नो. इट्स फाइन. आई होप यू गॉट इट ब्रो. इज राहुल दवार. Is 5-6 months of consistent Java plus DSA preparation enough to crack interviews at Big Four product based or service based companies? What else I should focus on? I'm not sure about Big Four, but yeah, 5-6 months of consistent hard work will take you to any places, bro. Yeah, you can crack anything. It's more than enough. 5-6 months is more than enough if you can do it consistently. Like you can look at my last hundred streams, and I have started from nothing, and now I know many things. I am building things, literally using Docker for everything. This part is like I really liked. So consistency really pays off, bro. Escape, nice idea. Thanks, Macha. Thanks, bro. Do tell me, guys, also kindly mention your actual names. Eliscape, you can mention your actual name because I'm sure this is not your real name. I want to call people by their real names. I'm currently learning Spring and Spring Boot. Yeah, good. You are following the same roadmap as mine then. Welcome to the hood, bro. Okay, so what APIs that we will need? Should we plan the APIs now? 5 रुपए के बॉट थे ये लोग, लगता है. दो ही लोग बस. But then I should be prepared for such attacks in future now. It gave me a glimpse of to be prepared. I wanted to make a learning management system for multiple tenants. My name is Ashraf. Hello Ashraf, welcome to the stream, bro. Yeah, learning management system. Yeah, management system. These projects are really good. As a beginner, I have also created similar kind of a management app, customer management app that I created. So yeah, these are like really good projects to learn the concept, learn specifically the Java backend. So we'll get a good idea on that. Automated timeout, yeah, nice. I gave the right person the powers. Itna fast you acted. I couldn't have acted that fast. This is the first time I'm watching your video. Can you give just short intro on what you are doing, bro? Okay, what's your name? Vasant Kumar. So Vasant bhai, I'm building a SaaS application over here. This time I'm building mobile application, and this app particularly will solve one problem that I face in my day-to-day life, is to track all my orders, because I place so many different orders from so many different accounts from so many different websites as well. I do Instagram shopping, and for all those orders, I want to have one stop shop for all of that, so I can see all those orders at one place along with its OTP, return policy, return status, current status, everything at one place, so that I should know कि मैं कहाँ कहाँ से क्या ऑर्डर कर रहा हूँ और क्या मेरे यहाँ पे फालतू में पड़ा है, एंड आई शुड रिटर्न ऑल दोज आइटम्स और ये सब चीज़ है. So for this I'm building this particular app, and now yesterday I designed the database schema, what tables I wanted. So I built this because I made this application very simple. It could have been so complicated, but I simplified it very much because I know I wouldn't go for complicated things. This is the MVP one. I would like to keep the things as easy as possible, and these four tables is what is the core of this app. And now I have created the tables today with all the entity files, and tomorrow we will proceed with the APIs now. So this is what the application is. I hope you got it, Vasant Kumar. Do you teach on Udemy? No, 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 bro. I don't teach anything. I'm not a teacher. सब लोगों को क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं सिखाता हूँ? Everybody who's come, they say कि do you teach? No, bro. I'm here to have fun. I'm not here to have some serious. I'm not here for any serious shit. मेरे को मजा आता है ये सब करने में, मेरे को बकचोदी करने में, सीखने में मजा आता है. So I'll do that only. On this channel, I also don't know what is gonna come, and you also don't know what is gonna come. So it can be anything. In past, I have learned such an abstract skills. I don't know that skills are anywhere like related or useful to me, but I don't know why I learn such stupid skills, but I do. एपीआई फेच अलाउड है जैसे आपने बोला हर चीज का. हाँ, यस. यस यस, एपीआई. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम दोस्तों. यस, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. एपीआई फेच अलाउड है जैसे आपने बोला हर चीज का मतलब. हर चीज का मतलब एपीआई फेच. हाँ 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 हाँ, ओके ओके. एपीआई मेरे इसमें इसमें यस यस यस, देयर विल बी एपीआई फॉर ऑल द थिंग्स that we will plan tomorrow. We will plan and I'll show you how to do the API planning. It is called LLD in short. uh, Rahul Dawar, I left college and have 1.5 years of internship experience. I built strong Java, DS, and development skills. Can I get hired based on skills alone, or the degree is still important? Degree, say, see. Degree is not important, but it's not important in like only top 3-4% companies, not top any 3-4% companies, but most of the companies follow traditional way of hiring, and there your degrees and all is like looked after. So maybe I would not comment more on that, is it required or not. It completely situational based. If you are lucky, you don't need a degree, but if you are not, I'll not go in the negative direction. Vasant Kumar, great idea, bro. Thank you so much, buddy. Yeah, I'm getting confidence from such messages then to build it very well. From where did you learn backend development? भाई यहीं से, from the stream. If you go and check the streams, I have learned everything in front of you guys. कॉलेज में भी पढ़ा था ऑफ कोर्स, लेकिन एक्चुअल में अभी जावा यहीं पे पढ़ा है. यू टोल्ड मी योर नेम. डिड आई फॉरगॉट? अशरफ. अशरफ ब्रो. मैंने अभी तक इतना ही जावास्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा है, दैट्स व्हाई एपीआई. ओके, मैं समझा तुमने फेच फंक्शन पूछा, बिकॉज जावास्क्रिप्ट में यू मस्ट हैव यूज्ड फेच फॉर सम एपीआई, बट या, great question. Yes. Yeah, guys, please do like the stream, yaar. Don't subscribe to the channel yet. Just give it a thumbs up to the stream, because whenever I stream daily at 10. I start at 10 p.m. and I end at like almost 1. So whenever you have time, you can join the stream. I also solve lead code problems and all those things, system design. I have done DevOps and all in meanwhile. So yeah, you can like the stream, so that whenever I'll be online, you get a suggestion in your home feed or shorts feed, wherever you are on the YouTube, and you can join the stream again, and we will have the chat again. If you like after second or third time what I'm doing here, then you can subscribe to the channel, but right now just like the stream. मिस्टर आदि भैया, आपने बैकएंड किधर से सीखा? मुझे भी सीखना है, बताओ कैसे स्टार्ट करूँ. Bro, I just started. I had one advantage of recorded lectures in my with me, college where I did CDAC, and वहाँ पे I had a recorded lecture, so I followed that before starting again on the Java, and then I gone through those एक दो application छोटे छोटे. I have created some small application. You guys can scan my older streams. There I have like literally asked the chat, the people from the chat, ki what should I need to know. Then chat suggested me learn filters, learn this, learn that. So based on that, I created the basic projects, and from that I got a good idea about that. Still I'm in the learning phase. I'm building the things. I'm not pro. I'm just intermediate. I can say intermediate in Java Spring Boot right now. intermediate, वो भी beginner intermediate you can say. So you can always text me on LinkedIn. I have made my profile public. You can follow and just text me there. So we can have a conversation if you are facing any problem or something or need help at something. Hmm, एवरेज एक्सट्रीम में कितने लोग सब्सक्राइबर बन जाते थे व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड? व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड तो नोबडी यूज्ड टू जॉइन ब्रो. When I started there were few people like Parv. I remember he is like good friend of, he has become good friend of mine. uh he has suggested many improvements like this writing tab that I use. It's his idea, it was his idea. Then I followed Cyrus list, it was his idea. So maybe ek do something, ek do 1 2. But yeah, it's a journey. मजा मजा आना चाहिए बस. चलो आई थिंक बहुत लेट कर रहे हैं हम. यू गाइज आर नॉट मेकिंग मी रीच 25 लाइक्स. अगर 25 लाइक्स आते तो मैं और भी आगे काम करता, बट ठीक है. We'll end it here, but tomorrow when we come, we will plan all the APIs, what all APIs that we need, what all functions that the front end need. For example, front end need login. So we have created a simple login flow, but mobile के लिए login flow अलग होता है. So this what we need. Then we need multiple accounts connected feature. So for this also we need one API with the help of Google dashboard that we have to create. Then this login में ये orders API and all these all we need. This will not make this statistics and all notification is too much. So at least this much 4 5 screen is what we have to make it. So we will plan this tomorrow, all the APIs. For today this much is enough where we are right now. So that's enough. Give it a like and then you can see the wonders now. क्वेश्चन मैंने पढ़ा, मैसेज अथर्व, तुम्हारे मैसेज में इमीडिएटली पढ़ ले रहा हूँ अभी. तुम डिलीट कर रहे हो, मैंने देखा. नाइस क्वेश्चन लिखा था तुमने, स्क्रीन पे भी आता ही है वो. कौन सा क्वेश्चन नाइस बोला? ब्रो आई एम अ फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट. डू यू थिंक आई शुड लर्न सिस्टम डिज़ाइन? नाउ आई एम डूइंग DSA आल्सो. पहले DSA वगैरह कर लो. System design you don't have to go in deep, you just need to know what exactly system design is. So keep one thing in mind, even if in case you don't do system design now, but even if in case any interviewer asks you about system design, don't just immediately start answering him. Ask him the question first. At least ask 4 5 questions. How many users will be there? Okay, calculate the number of user he will give you per hour user. तुम्हें एक साल में कितना और 10 साल में कितना यूजर्स आएगा, ऐसे डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिचुएशन. सो इतना सब बेसिक बेसिक चीज़ें पूछ लो. डोंट डू सिस्टम डिज़ाइन इन डेप्थ फॉर एज अ फ्रेशर. If you still want to do it, there is a book that I follow on the stream as well, which is this Alex Yuka book, System Design Interview. It is very simple and easy to understand book. This much is also enough. You can Google it and you will get the link. If not, you text me on LinkedIn or Discord. I'll give you the link. Okay. So this is very nice book. You can go and just do URL shortener. URL shortener ही कर लो बस. That much is enough. मैंने अपने stream पे भी इसमें 3 videos बनाए हुए. 3 streams I have. Go through that and you will understand how to answer this URL shortener or any system design question. Yeah, daily new people are joining us. How much you make per year as a front end engineer? सीधा सैलरी पूछ लिया भाई. Share the book. Ping me on LinkedIn, bro. LinkedIn or Discord. Discord URL is in the chat, pinned chat, or LinkedIn is also here. Let me pin LinkedIn. Because वो URL यहाँ पे नहीं आता है. YouTube does not allow external URLs. So I have to text to you in other places. how much you make, how much you make, I'll tell you in one of the streams. मैंने कभी पहले भी बताया था, but come in Discord, yes. हाँ, LinkedIn और Discord, yes. Whether that book I should complete till, no 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 no, don't complete till 8 chapter bro. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये 8 chapter is the basic one. URL shortener कैसे काम करता है, you should read it, and तुम्हें once you do this URL shortener, which is the एकदम easiest system design का problem, once you understand that, you will understand how this thing work, system design. Okay, not till 8 chapter, just ऊपर ऊपर से पढ़ लो, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है इसमें. आयु जफा, हेलो हेलो ब्रो, लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी, हाउ आर यू ब्रो, क्या चल रहा है? ये डिस्कॉर्ड यूआरएल इनवैलिड आ रहा है, तभी मेरे को आज टन टन सुनाई नहीं दिया कि डिस्कॉर्ड का. नहीं ब्रो, इट्स द करेक्ट, इट्स करेक्ट यूआरएल. आयु जैफा, हाउ आर यू ब्रो, long time no see. I guess we had some conversation over Instagram. Let me check that. Abu bro, yeah, we had some discussion, yes, on 1000 subscribers. You congratulated me after 1000 subscribers. Yeah, I remember Abu. How's life? I received some message on LinkedIn. Okay, I'll reply to you bro. We met on a random night stream. Hello Ashraf. Okay. Yeah. डिस्कॉर्ड लिंक अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है, रोहित को नया इनवाइट जनरेट करने पिन अपडेट करना पड़ेगा, मैंने किया हुआ है. ये शक्तियाँ कब मिलेगी? कौन सी शक्तियाँ? आपने डिस्कॉर्ड लिंक नेवर एक्सपायर पे सेट करा है शायद. क्यों, क्या हुआ? I don't know, never expire bro. This is Gen Z terms. I'm not that much aware of. डिस्कॉर्ड लिंक अभी कॉन्फ़िगर्ड नहीं, अरे कॉन्फ़िगर्ड है, नेवर एक्सपायर पे सेट करके नया पिन करना पड़ेगा. इंडी डेवलपर किया हुआ है ब्रो. अच्छा, नेवर एक्सपायर पे सेट करना होगा. हाउ टू डू दैट? योर इनवाइट लिंक एक्सपायर्स इन थर्ड एडिट. Okay, we got a new link now. Let me replace pinned message. Chat brain. Remember this Discord URL. Bro, yeah, I'll check after. Yeah, I'll check after the stream. I have so many messages received on LinkedIn. I'll check, bro. Okay, तुम्हारा मैसेज बड़ा है. I would have read it on here only. आदित्यन, छोटे मैसेज होते हैं, हाय हेलो समथिंग लाइक दिस. अशरफ हैज टेक्स्टेड I'm looking for the backend engineering role. So just asking out the people, how is the situation currently in the market? This quarter is little weird right now, you know. So after this quarter, the jobs market will flourish again, but you have to start applying right now. Okay. So start applying, keep applying to the jobs, and after this quarter, by the end of this quarter, you will start to get good offers and roles. Okay. So I'll okay, Ashraf, if you are here, I have answered to you. Uh, I can't save it from chat here. Rohit should update it. Configure Discord. Yeah, I'll ये बुक पढ़ने की शक्तियाँ. ओके ओके, बुक पढ़ने की शक्तियाँ रखो भाई. बुक से जितना ज्ञान तुम्हें किताबें पढ़ के मिलेगा ना, उतना ज्ञान कहीं से नहीं मिलेगा. आपको बाकी प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी अपडेट करना होगा, वहाँ पे भी एक्सपर्ट. ओके ओके, आई ऐड, आई क्रिएट, आई अंडरस्टूड. थैंक यू फॉर दिस वन. मैं समझ में आ गया मेरे को क्या इशू हो गया. आई अपडेट. ओके. सो फॉर दिस बुक का यूआरएल जस्ट पिंग मी ऑन वेरेवर डिस्कॉर्ड, लिंक्डइन, जहाँ पे भी तुम कर रहे हो, and I'll give you the link of this. Just that this link does not get shared on the YouTube chat. Okay. Chalo, thank you all for joining the stream, and kindly do like the stream, guys. Tomorrow we will come back and we will do the planning, API planning, and which is like a LLD. You know, if you guys are aware of LLD, low level system design, that is what we are doing in somehow. Uh, यही बुक का पूछ रहा हूँ. ये बुक पढ़ने की शक्तियाँ. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. मैं एग्जैक्टली नहीं समझा तुम्हारा पॉइंट, अथर्व, सॉरी. एलेक्स यू, यस, एलेक्स यू की किताब का क्या आगे, लेकिन इसको पढ़ने की शक्तियाँ. गाइज, आई एम जस्ट 3 likes अवे फ्रॉम 30 likes. सो यू, जिसने भी लाइक नहीं किया होगा, प्लीज डू लाइक द स्ट्रीम. आई हैव डन सो मच ऑफ वर्क ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट टुडे. इट्स गुड टू टॉक विथ यू ऑल, यू नो. प्लीज शेयर द बुक लिंक. या सो कहाँ मैंने डिस्कॉर्ड पे किसी को दिया था वो बुक का लिंक. डोंकी. हेलो हेलो ब्रो. डोंके. सो मैंने किसको दिया था ये बुक? बनी को दिया था. यस. सो लेट मी शेयर इट हियर एज वेल, एंड हियर इन दी चैट एज वेल. ठीक है, मैंने शेयर किया है. जिसने जिसने मैसेज किया था मेरे को. दिस बुक्स लुक्स लाइक होस्टेड पीडीएफ. एलेक्स यू, या वो बुक को रिसोर्सेस में डाल सकते हैं मेरे हिसाब से. रिसोर्सेस का फीचर अभी एनेबल नहीं है बिकॉज माय चैनल इज नॉट येट मोनेटाइज्ड. वंस इट इज मोनेटाइज्ड देन आई कैन ऐड इट टू रिसोर्सेस, आई गेस. डू वी हैव रिसोर्सेस एनेबल टू ऑल? आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई डोंट थिंक सो. गाइज, गाइज काइंडली लाइक. मैं हूँ डोंके. अच्छा, वेलकम टू द डिस्कॉर्ड ब्रो. Donkey, welcome to the Discord. Nice, cool name. Discord. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Otherwise, like इसको क्या है, इसको Discord कुछ भी पता नहीं है क्या? हाँ भाई, नहीं पता मेरे को. रिसोर्सेस कहाँ है होता है इस. अच्छा अच्छा, रिसोर्सेस. ओके ओके. आई एम सॉरी ब्रो. डिस्कॉर्ड लिंक अभी कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं है. रिसोर्सेस का लिंक अवेलेबल नहीं. डेवलपर के भी अलग ही अच्छे प्रॉब्लम. यस ब्रो, यस. ओके. तो एंड करें स्ट्रीम को. मेरा मेरा मन नहीं है एंड करने का, लेकिन ठीक है, एंड करते. कल आके हम मस्त से एपीआई विल प्लान ऑल द एपीआईज, एंड वी विल क्रिएट द एपीआईज, एंड मे बी टुमारो ओनली और नेक्स्ट day after tomorrow, we will actually start with the React Native app, and that is what I am curious this time about. Okay, in meanwhile, I'll add my yes, yes, लाइक करवा दीजिए सर, 30 लाइक करवा दीजिए, तो मैं सुकून से सो पाऊंगा और कल सुकून से मैनेजर की गाली खा लूंगा मैं. Yes. So I hope you guys, all of you, have the idea what I'm trying to build over here. This is a very nice app, and I have seen this in other countries as well, like in Canada and all. They have like this kind of apps in most of the times, because people tend to do so much of order online shopping over there. We guys think in India that we do so much of online shopping, but no, our still spending appetite is low. Low as in we are of Indian mindset. We are conservative about all of this. Yes, so this is very unique and popular thing outside. Chat 30 likes करा दो, algorithm को भी कभी कभी emotional support चाहिए होता है. Yes. If you like your man, else you know. Yo, not Eclipse. Yo bro, how are you brother? Come on dosto, just do it bro. Our income is low too. Yes, yeah, that is what bro, that is what. बट ज़्यादा टाइम टाइम तक नहीं रहेगा, बढ़ेगा भाई अपना भी. इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे बात करो, मेरा तुम्हारा चैट का सबका पढ़ेगा पढ़ेगा इंडिया, तभी पढ़ेगा इंडिया. चलो, लेट मी चेंज द सीन, द एग्जिट सीन टू, या. Okay guys, so you guys know what's the current status is. We are at the database level. We have created the database, we have created the tables now, and now it's time for us to move towards the API side, plan the APIs and build the APIs. मैं भी आलोक सिंह, मैं अभी पहली बार आया हूँ आपके चैनल पर, और जावा मेरा टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है, बट लाइक कर दिया. ए थैंक यू सो मच आलोक, ऐसे लोगों की बहुत ज़रूरत है इंडिया में. थैंक यू सो मच आलोक ब्रो, and welcome to the channel. If you are first joiner, first time here, then welcome to the channel bro. Yeah, I hope you will like it what I'm trying to do here. भाई आप working professional हो? Yes sir, yes sir, I'm a working professional. 10 बजे तक ऑफिस का काम करता हूँ रात को, और रात को 10 बजे के बाद अपना यूट्यूब स्ट्रीम करता हूँ भाई. This is in chat brain, that application that I have created, that is replying you in between. If you are aware, you can test it like this. Thanks Alok Singh. Java ना भी हो तो चलेगा, bugs और bad decisions हर tech stack में universal होते. Like दोस्तों, just 1 like left. Oh really, 1 like left? मेरे को अकाउंट नहीं दिखता है to be honest, but yeah, तुम मुझे लाइक दो, मैं तुम्हें कोडिंग तो नहीं सिखाऊंगा. मैं तुम लोगों को कभी नहीं सिखाऊंगा भाई, मेरे को कुछ सिखाना नहीं है किसी को. एक बात बताओ, आई एम अ फ्रेशर, एंड अगर कंपनी में जाके लिनक्स वाला लैपटॉप मांगू तो दे विल गिव इट. आई नेवर यूज्ड विंडोज. ऐसे नहीं होता भाई कंपनी में. तुम्हें हर ओएस, सी यू आर अ डेवलपर, यू कांट से दैट यू कांट वर्क ऑन एनी अदर डिवाइसेस. यू शुड बी compatible, like to work flexible enough to work on any operating system. It's your job bro to know and understand the new technologies. You cannot be stubborn with the operating system. कभी कभी you have to use Mac OS as well, Windows, Linux, anything. क्या पता तुम्हें क्रोमियम पे जाके कुछ एप्लीकेशन बनाने का काम मिल जाए, तब क्या करोगे? But I have used Linux all my literal life. It's okay bro. Change is the constant. Change is the only constant. ब्रश करते हुए स्ट्रीम देखना अलग ही मजा है भाई. तुम अलग ही डिसिप्लिन फॉलो करते हो, डेली रात को ब्रश करके सोना और ये सब. यू आर अ गुड बॉय. देन टेल देम अर्ली टू, इफ लिनक्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर वर्क फ्लो, Some companies allow it, but security IT policies usually decides more than developer preferences. Yes, Mac is not fine, bro. You don't know how fucked up Mac OS is. Not the Windows. Windows is still better. Windows is a generalized Windows. I am using MacBook right now, and I have never seen any window like as fucked up as Mac OS. It has so many restrictions, so many. भाई की प्रीमियम प्रॉब्लम है. Got two Macs by the way. Yeah. Yeah, how many Macs you got doesn't matter, but it's worst, bro. Bro, which stack to work with for placement prospects? Average Spring Boot or Python Fast API? Python Fast API is like getting really popular these days. I haven't worked on this. Spring Boot Java is always like evergreen thing. Brother crying is Ferrari. You don't know my usage, bro. मैं हर एक चीज को I have a MacBook of 32 GB RAM and all, MacBook Pro, but it still lacks, you know, the kind of workflows that I have. It still मेरे को उसके लिए कूलिंग पैड रखना पड़ा है मैकबुक के लिए. Even though MacBook has so good technology, so good hardware, but still I have to use this. I have so many. यहाँ पे you can see I have almost 10 different devices connected to a MacBook. एक तो सीपीपी से जावा मूव करने में गांड लग गई. हाँ भाई, ये सब तो अपने जिंदगी में चलता रहेगा यार. यहाँ से वहाँ से यहाँ, यही यही लाइफ है आईटी आईटी इंजीनियर की, पता है. आईटी वर्ल्ड में कोई भी दिन तुम्हारा ऐसा नहीं रहेगा कि जिस दिन तुमने कुछ यू हैवंट सीन समथिंग न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी और समथिंग न्यू दैट यू आर आफ्टर सीइंग दैट, अच्छा यू नो, अच्छा आई नो दिस. नो, every day is a new day for an IT engineer. You never know what will come, when will come, and you have to be prepared. So I have seen always IT engineers are so grounded that they know मेरे से भी अच्छे अच्छे बहुत सारे लोग हैं. Okay, चलो, enough talks for the day. How many likes we have? Yeah, we have 30, and it's time. It's past 1. I don't want to keep awake most of my chats. So thank you all for joining the stream. Tomorrow we will be back. We'll start the stream by 10 p.m. and we will do the API planning. We will plan APIs and we'll try to finish all the APIs in one day only. And the stipulated things that I do, which are like my plus points. I do global error handling filters. I add filters, and I do ekdam perfect as in I have complete workflow for implementing checked unchecked exceptions and bubble it up and show it in a good global error way. So I have that code with me as well, so we will implement that if time permits tomorrow. So stay tuned, do join back, and we will take this SaaS application to a next level so that you guys also can use it. I have a plan to deploy it on Play Store. I'm not sure about the iOS has so many policies. Agar I start applying to those policies, I'll it will take 15 years. But Play Store, Android Play Store for sure. Yeah, it is going on Android Play Store. Bro, some tips for beginner to find job, bro. जितना भाई बिगिनर के लिए तो आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन माय लैंग्वेज ओनली, यू नो. जितना देर हकते हो उतना देर जॉब अप्लाई करो भाई. सुबह उठो, जॉब अप्लाई करो. यू हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर 100 jobs, you know. You have to increase the probability of you getting callbacks from those jobs. So keep applying to those jobs. Keep applying. You apply 1,000 jobs, your probability of getting callback will increase. Improve your resume. If you have any doubts in your resume or you want your resume to be reviewed, send it to me on LinkedIn. You have my LinkedIn over here, so send it to me over LinkedIn. I have agent created for reviewing this with complete data. I'll review it, and I'll review manually as well, and I'll give you a final report. So do that. एंड या रेज्यूमे तुम्हारा, प्रोफाइल लिंक्डइन अपडेटेड चाहिए, सब कुछ अपडेटेड चाहिए तुम्हारा. आई मीन सीपीपी देन जावा में डेवलपमेंट इज मेसी, स्टिक इट ईदर वन. या एक एक पे अड़े रहना पड़ता है. Alas, hi there. Thank you for calling. Alas, hi there. Thank you for calling. नाश्ते में 100 जॉब्स अप्लाई. यस, नाश्ते से पहले, नाश्ते के बाद, नाश्ते में भी. स- रात को सोने के बाद 200 जॉब पे अप्लाई करो, उठने से पहले 100 जॉब पे अप्लाई करो. चलो, अब वी आर फ्रेंड्स नाउ. इंटरव्यू में चीटिंग करना सिखाओ. सी, स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2 एंड स्टेप 3. यू आर क्वालिफाइड ब्रो. इफ यू गेट इट, यू गेट इट. डॉक्टर डेव. चलो, मेरे से गलत चीज़ें ना कराइए जनाब. इट्स टू लेट. इट्स टू लेट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. सो आई एम सेइंग फाइनल गुड नाइट. टेक केयर. गुड बाय. गुड नाइट. जिसने लाइक नहीं किया है, काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम. Okay, and we will be back at 10 p.m. tomorrow at the same time, same place. You can join in and we will take this SaaS application to a next level. Are you not scared of the future tech, like coding will be irrelevant in 2 years? So is it worth to grind coding? Nice. Bro, I have stopped worrying about anything in my life. I know I'm very capable of learning and doing anything. I'll do. I'm not scared of anything, bro. पैसा कैसे भी कमा लूंगा, पेट कैसे भी भर लूंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. And then I'll flourish. I'll not just sustain, but I'll flourish. I have that much of confidence in my life, on myself. कुछ भी काम, एक ही काम थोड़ी है पूरी दुनिया में कि कोडिंग ही है या आईटी जॉब्स ही है. इससे पहले आई वर्कड इन सप्लाई चेन, आई वर्कड इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. सो आई एम नॉट स्केयर्ड ऑफ वर्किंग एट एनी प्लेस और एनीवेयर. ये नहीं तो कुछ और भाई. 32 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you for the 32 likes. Fourth year student, code with Adi. Fourth year student in internship, what should I do? Focus on internship or keep preparing more? No, focus on internship is what you are learning in your internship. You don't have to prepare anything apart from your the time that you are spending over there. So you keep preparing more. Preparation, focus on preparing. Internship is तो चलो तुम वहाँ पे सीख जाओगे. It's just a cherry on top, but keep preparing more. That is the answer for you. Code with Adi. ब्रो 27 का बेरोजगार हूँ. कुछ है क्या जीवन में? है भाई, बहुत है, बहुत है. डोंट वरी ब्रो. कीप अप्लाइंग. जॉब अप्लाई करो यार. सी, तुम्हें डेली थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करना है. यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव ऑन डेली बेसिस. इट्स नॉट अ 1 day जॉब और 2 days जॉब. You have to keep improving. You have to keep trying different things on the daily basis. There is no other way, bro. Try other things. If not this, try other things. Life doesn't end here. 1:30 पे एंड करते हैं. हाँ हाँ, यस. 1:30 पे एंड करते, बहुत लेट हो जाएगा भाई. 1:30 पे. विशाल. Hello, bro. How are you, sir? Vishal is the guy, like he is the senior most in our group, bro, and he has so much of experience that his fingers do all the work. He don't even have to use his mind at this point now. So say hello to Vishal chat. uh, Welcome to the stream, guys. Yes. Good night, bro. We'll join tomorrow. Yes, good night, bro. And I have shared you the PDF URL if I'm not wrong. You have texted me. ट्री तक सी फ्रेशर के लिए ट्री तक ठीक है. डू सम popular questions on the graphs as well. So graphs is the most asked topic in the DS rounds. I have been discussing with some guy in the chat as well. So we came to the conclusion graphs is the one that you should be like killing it. विशाल, गुड. काफी नए लोग आ रहे, आते हैं काफी नए लोग. यस. What's written on that page behind you? That's the list of people whom I want to kill, bro. आप अर्ली मॉर्निंग स्ट्रीम ट्राई करना एक दिन. काफ़ी सही रहता है. 9:30 to 2. Yes, I have that on my wish list, bro. I'll do that. The only point is that I don't wake up that early. But I'll do that. I want to tap into that audience as well. 40 likes, yes, here we go. Yeah, like the stream, yaro, guys, putting unthinkable effort. So thank you all. uh भाई दिस इज द लास्ट बाय बाय, थैंक यू ऑल फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द स्ट्रीम. जिसको और भी कुछ पूछना है या ये करना है, मेरे को गाली देनी है, कुछ भी करना है, यू कैन ऑलवेज पिंग मी ऑन लिंक्डइन. लेट मी गिव माय लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल वन मोर टाइम. Okay, so you can follow me over there. It's a public profile and you text me over there so that we can have a chat. LinkedIn पे तुम मैसेज करोगे तो मैं सीरियसली पढ़ूंगा भी उसको और सही से ये भी दूंगा. Facts it. If the stream helped, Rohit is burning CPU, caffeine, and possibly a few brains. And Chocho, what is Chocho? So means array, string, searching, sorting, stack, linked list, queue, and trees, graphs, right? Yes, yes. That much is enough, bro. Keep keep grinding on those parts now. Topic wise job, pattern wise job. I'm telling you one thing which I have learned. Don't solve random lead code problems. Do pattern wise. Like trees has majorly two patterns. The types of traversal we do. So do that pattern wise so that all the patterns you will understand and it will be easy for you to solve. दिन में भारी लोग आते हैं, देखते हैं दिन का भी. भाई डीएम कर देना. I mean reply. Yes, 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 sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Bro, graph and tree are the core of tech. Don't learn it for the sake of DSA. Yes. Yeah, yeah, true. Yeah, chat brain. Drop your question here, bro. Rohit can reply on stream faster than hunting through DMs. पैटर्न वाइज जाओ, बाकी बैकएंड प्रोजेक्ट चुरा के भी काम हो सकता है. थैंक्स फॉर द हेल्प मैन. या यस, चलो अब बहुत हो गया, बहुत लेट हो गया. इट्स टू लेट नाउ. इट्स टाइम टू स्लीप. कल ऑफिस भी जाना है भाई, रोजी रोटी का सवाल है. चलो, thank you all for joining the stream. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow and we will progress on this SaaS app. So bye. Now I'm ending this on a serious note. Bye bye guys. जिसको कुछ और बात करना है, you ping me on LinkedIn. We will chat. OBS कहाँ गया? भैंचो. Yes.